Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
F6F, I which Freddy that?
Everybody get the tambourine and praise the Almighty Father. All God-fearing people.
Freddy, I which Freddy that? Remember, say me a old man now, you know. Me know a whole heap of Freddy, you know. Oh, from Bio Life days. I want Freddy, big up yourself, man. Large up, man. See? Jody, I'm drinking prune juice. Prune juice. Everybody shake up your tambourine and praise the Lord. Oh, you. Big up on yourself, you know. Chat, 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 chat. Always sitting there. Always sitting. Let's go. Man, something. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Greetings, you know, Navlet. Big up yourself, you know. No, me I tell you, Navlet, the boot, I beat them all now, you know. I bet you say people still a dream about the boot where you wear go crisscross party. Me nah lie, Navlet, them red boots, they sit down by you. I didn't know if you walk with it, you know. I can't remember, you know, enough women, you know, buy the hot boot, them, and I know if you walk with them. I tell you all the while, you know. One of the big things, the problem I have with Jamaican women, them buy them nice boot, there, them nice heels there, whatever. And when them are walking at them can't rock them. Them can't rock a boot them properly, you see it? And when them walking, be a boxer for them are walking, and them are walk. Them all look like them are box somebody when them are walking at boot them, you know. Cause them can't walk in a boot, them good. See them here? Right, them have that look of swing there, that look of confidence there, you know. Cause when the boot all are blind, them two and them can't manage to heal them and all them something there, you know. Them walk like them want buck down somebody and thing. But anyway, big up on yourself in the night, you know, everything is everything, you don't know, say. We're nice and we're fresh and all these things and whatever, you swear me I say? Okay. Well, on the Chumpy in the building, the boss there. The boss Chumpy there, Cookie Monstrous, big up yourself, you know. Yeah. And well, on the creme de la creme, you did get the petty. I remember somebody that pick up petty energy from you, so you need the petty, you know. Watch ya. Jody, I walk going with mind yourself, you know, Jody, I walk going with you from one day. I know I walk going with Jody from one day, you know. Something I go and I'm going to talk to Miss Christy about this because it sounds serious. Yeah, it sounds serious, you know. Anyway, big up on yourself, you know, big up all of our bathroom clean and thing. Big up yourself if your kitchen clean. Large up yourself, big up yourself if you know, like you know, when you sweat, you still smell good. That means you have blessing for you. Big up your. What your Sonia? Can I? Oh, my tightness in the night, yeah, Sonia, I want me to your tightness. Sonia, I want me to your tightness. Come tell Mas Raga though, Sonia. Tell Mas Raga what go on with your tightness, eh? A Sharky say everything clean, house clean, character clean, mindset clean. I like it. I like it. I like when everything clean, you know. I saw the thing for go everything clean, you understand? Yeah, man, large up on yourself if all part of the area and every part of the clean. Big up yourself if back on the ears clean, on the ears inside on the ears clean and back on the ears clean. Big up all on yourself if the rest of the body smell clean, on the creases not smell clean to that now work, that now cut it, you know. Big up yourself if when you beard, your beard good and you're scrubbing at the creases, them and all them something they done. Big up yourself if you come to America, you know, work this out the thing with me can't cook, you know, I know so me can't cook, you know. But there's one thing, you know, I know for wash, you know. I still know for wash. Well, I don't really do my own wash still, but I know for do it, you know. I know for do my wash and thing. Yeah, I get somebody to do them. I mean, you know. Right, but big up on yourself. If you now come up here, come pick up the careless practice, them are the people them up here. I wash on the sneakers, on the jeans, them and all them something there. Right? I work on the Caribbean people, come back and pick up them slackness. I wash on the sneakers, them with on the jeans. Right? Yeah. And somehow no we know what go on, we don't believe, so we don't know. When you can't wash on the panty them with on the jeans, them it not right. Even though it got through the soap sitting in a machine and the agitator do the soap, panty enough wash with jeans, because when you put on back that the panty they will wash with the jeans and the old cover them when you wash it with and whatever microscopic particles that survived that tumultuous range of water, temperature in the water that you wash with, they are still there. And they will attack your you know what. Okay. Because yeah. So I don't have to do them something that it turn blue. What? What turn blue? Yeah. We don't have to do that something because I know that someone on the compound now pick up certain little slackness where normalize up here now and run come and pick it up here. Yeah. You understand? Someone come up here and talk about something on cook food. When cook up look a pasta and throw a prego and ragu pan it, I don't know my story. When throw a prego and ragu pan it and I tell people about cook where? That I not cook by our standards. Hello? All right, Jeremy, big up yourself, Watch out, me soon come back. Good morning, Lord Jesus. If you not listen to Jody, a problem, Jody, a problem. Anyway, people big up on themselves in 90 and everything is everything. You don't know. I just want to say blessing to the panty turn blue. Yeah. I want to say big up the SDC, all of my SDC ladies, them just big up on themselves and everything proper. People, before we get in, I look at jum and like, I'm talking a code, so you just listen what I say and figure out what I say, all right? So again, let me tell you something now. Chump me there, man. Now we ask me, G, big up yourself, man. I'm going to say some things in a code. But even though I say some kids, I know say somehow not enough. I want to love put people name and all them sitting there. I don't want nobody put nobody name in my chat right here so now. I'm going to make my algo pick up say, I'm going to put the people them name because no founder don't even know what going on with enough of them something there. No founder don't even know say the people them secretly I work with the tech people them. They find out who is who and we all here say a list I put together. So I'm going to say some things in a code. I don't want nobody putting a politician name in my chat. If you put in politician name, I make the moderator them flinging out. I'm banning from the chat. Do not put, when you hear me say it openly. Now, to me say it openly now, you have some people who depend on certain side in a certain things and them will do it. Them will still put a name. So moderator, anybody else put any politician name in the chat point, when me I go say, ban them. Do that something that ban them from the chat. Don't ban them from a page. But you can't when you ban them from the chat, do that something. So people, you know, say the powers that be come out with one thing and say certain professions are no longer considered professions. Them say certain job, certain professions are no longer considered professions. And when me look on the list of the profession them, I say, Bumbleclad, look how them people that fight against woman. I say, woman, the woman them this go beat right here, so And no for some someone will see it. When you see the people them say, people nurse them on the list, And by them saying that it's no longer profession, them explicitly come out after, and say, teachers too, nurses and teachers too, them come out and say, because they are no longer professions, they are not entitled to any form of financial aid support. Them never say it. Me, I say a target woman. And the reason why me I say target woman, when enough people don't know, and this is when I want to know, I don't want to go put nobody name. Certain people, I just money I feed them pre. For a long time, money I feed them pre. And they say them dead. It's all about the money. Come talk to me, make some money. But in order to get in a certain position, them want to get in a certain position so them can make them money. But in order to get in a certain position, them power lies in the support from certain people. Follow the logic, you know. Follow the whole man, right? So them is all about money. You never hear them people talk about the Constitution and full-blooded American and how much them are patriot. Them never something there. If you really listen to them and whatever, for them thing is always about the deal and making money and, you know, the hustle. But them can't get in order to get in power, them need the support of certain people. And them people, you know, they have been on a, let me be careful, them been on a little vibe where them claim say them want to win back them place. Because certain people come in and take over them place. So them want back them place. So, but them now, they might use this man now because he must say when nobody never did want to say before. And he have that little charisma thing there and he have that whatever. But a big part of them people who say them want to win back a thing, so them support such man. And such man, okay? So such man thing is like, me we go to anything we want. Because as long as me get the power, I mean at the position, me do what me want to do. Uno can't do anything. Just tell me what uno want to do and me will do it. So them people over here, so no, them the back I want setting the name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I walk come off at 24. So them they back I want something now. Call it P. We come after 24. And that's something they say plainly and openly. Them don't even hide it. Say them for take away certain things. Them say we need to put back women where they belong. Them not hide it. Them don't even fix it up, you know. And enough of the people them associated with that who have power because them support such people who have the power and whatever. I don't know if you don't notice that. I say the people them come out what they want big interview upon one major news thing. And them ask one of the giant in I think, say whatever, and think that I him remember saying I him basically the one I mean people who write or something there will come after 24. Call it Puni will come after 24. Start with P, we have say Puni. But anyway, Puni better than that anyway, so make we leave out Puni. The man say, woman not supposed to vote. So the woman say, what them for them? Him say, them for in the house have baby, that's where them belong. So him say, what about working? Him said, no. Man must work and the woman must stay at home. That is what God, the man say, God say, God said for go. The man say, is God say it must go so. Him say, woman not supposed to work them own money. The man say, woman must stay in a house and have baby, that's all I must do. Oh, and him say, yes, I make sure that I'm well fed. These are the people, you know, what me I tell you, say, you know, them the front and center, miggle, you know, basically I lay out the blueprint for where going at me, so, you know. And sometimes, you know, when me say them plain and blunt with certain things, but enough time them go on with some things where the term where them use here is a false flag. And that basically means you say one thing, say this you do, but I really something else you do, you know. People, I wonder if you don't know, say, That place, yeah, been a run up and down in countries all over the world, including Jamaica. Let me say it again. That country, yeah, been a run up and down all over the world, including our country, Jamaica. I recruit nurses and teachers because them say them short of nurses and teachers, but enough people who yesterday them come up on a teacher program, you know. Enough people used to come up here, them come up on nurse program because them good. So how you know? You know the national interest and thing, you know say you're short on nurses and teachers. Make it make sense, you know. But you turn around now and you say nurses and teachers is no longer a profession. You them always a disrespect teacher them do, you know. A nurse to man, because sometimes you have some people them go on like say, some people go on like say nurse are them personal slave, you know, and a hunger doctor important, and enough of the time at the nurse, them are the most of the work. The doctor them really not the work, at the nurse, them are whole the hospital, them I tell you a whole lot of them, you know, them not give them respect, you know. But what me I say is, them not say it, but in my opinion, in my humble opinion, this is an instance where them a go after the woman, them ladies are one of them a go after now. And them, and I'm telling you before, there are many of you, you're looking at these incidents in isolation. You're looking at them in their individual spaces. And what you're failing to do, and what I implore you to do, is when something happens and them unknown, something, push yourself. I do it instinctively, but this is what I do. I study these things and whatever, you know, on a formal level and all these things and whatever. So I just do it instinctively. But I'm pushing you all to do the same thing. When something announced, yes, sir, and it says so and so, yes, sir, I want you to say what relation this thing have to the other thing where it announced so and so. What relation this thing happened to that thing where them were going over, yes, sir, and thing. And you see, pay attention to their relationship. Because once you start looking at things as a system level, and not just an isolated individual incident, but you're looking on things like as a collective, that these things are different, but to some extent, they represent a particular goal. Always, two things you must always do: follow the money, right? But also ask yourself, what is the long game here? What is the long game here? When you say something to do, like, why them go do this? Why them commit so much resources to do this? Why them announce this thing as a big thing? Why is this important? And then push yourself and say, but why would you do this? What's the purpose of this? Like, if you've been for decades, I run up and down and say you're short a nurse, then I cut off your one and nose yourself to spite your face right now. But why would you do that? And then when you push and see why you do that, you see, you can see the bigger picture where I go on, the umbrella of the thing where I go on. Right? Them I go out. Them been a go out for groups, you know, but you know, so me not talk about them sitting there because one need a thing I go on out there, you know. Two things I want to know. You know, see when I go on, the climate is, you walk me a mountain and thing then come for you know. Yeah, that I go on out there, man. You walk me a mountain and come for you. And then the second thing I go on, we no found and unknown. You own a friend them and your people them with right beside you while laugh and chat with you. You're a friend if you know how much of them I call people and I tell people what you do. All when you not do it, them I call certain people and I tell them what you do. Right? In certain states, right, I know them all put out number already and say, yeah, you can call me if you see anybody. Shout with and thing, you know. And that I go on. And your own, we come from your country where you come from, right? And the thing split now, you know. Enough people support certain people over here, so enough people support certain people over here. So one time gone, everybody did kind of whatever. But enough people support certain people. And them not like when you talk anything, if you say something objectively like, it doesn't make sense that you've been aggressively seeking nurses all over the world because you say you have a shortage in the healthcare industry here, right? Not only have a shortage, there have been some substantial research and projections that says that it will remain so for a while. These shortages, right? Up to recently, I read this thing that's saying like jobs are still going to be huge in healthcare and technology, right? Healthcare and technology, right? So they still need nurses. But them not want woman make money. Them not want woman make money. Cause them say the woman them get too bright since they make money and them independent now. Man can't tell them what them fi do. Like woman attack for themselves now. Right? Them not want woman make money. Them want woman fi depend on man so man can control them. Them want to go back to that something there. Where woman I said, I know me I put up with this, but I true me can't do better, Yeah. Them want to go back to that old school something there. Them not like when woman independent. Them not like when woman can talk for themselves. Them not like when woman can say, no, I don't like what you do, And if you do this, I don't like it, I talk to you all long about it and whatever. So just go on. I can do well by myself. When I don't do that something. When I don't do that something, I can do well by myself, right? And of course, the big one is big thing if you control the woman and belly and them pum pum. Pick me. Right? That is a big one. When you hear me dip on it, I really dip on it too much or whatever, because I tell him, and then come take my set on me. But let me remind you, many of the so-called developed nations, projections are that they're not having enough children to sustain a workforce that would in turn sustain the country's economy and consequentially its viability, its survival. These are what these socio economists do, right? And they're pretty good at it. But in the cases of the developed nation, the so-called developed nation, I don't even know what developed mean nowadays, because I'm bright, right? Because I know enough nation were very developed more than what I'm going, right? Just so, but anyway, what they are concerned about is a particular group of people. You don't put the group in there, right? So there's a particular group of people who say them own yaso. That particular group of people, their birth rate have been steadily declining because the woman them, based on when them see them mother go through and them grandmother go through, and based on how people been a treat woman and whatever, them meet a point where them are saying, I don't really want to pick me right, Cause, and I like say them eat pick me, It's just when women see what woman go through with pick me and all them something there and whatever, and You see them tell us them do one big thing at Texas, one big study and things sitting and supposedly the result is that childcare is more expensive than going to college for women. Childcare is more expensive than going to college. Across the board, I guess. Right? So you see that picnic something there is a big deal to them because them a look down the line and them a say, if them other groups, because the other group, them not for them birth rate increase, But that group there, that certain group, they will run things all long now. For them birth rate been a decrease, but the other group when them a increase. So it has long been the case that when me to come America, it was projected at around 2050. Or what I said they come up well. It was. Well, let me check something else. Weird. All right, weird there. Oh, well, on there. One second. I feel right, I was, for take time with me, man. Sorry, people, this is important, yeah? Yeah. So it's about the babies, man. And one thing with them, them very organized and deliberate, because this was a long-term strategic plan for them, and they approach it from the Supreme Court. And the whole idea was to get their people in the Supreme Court for reverse Roe versus Wade, And because them said that is the first step, but you make it. And one thing with them, anytime them do certain things, them just do what them want to do, and then them always use the law, right? Them just make the law with them want the law to be, and then, whatever. So that was part of them very organized, man. It's a certain organization, I not call them name, but just know say one of the word heritage, But anyway, them very organized. So part of it was, for control the Supreme Court. And then the next part, there's several other parts, And the aim is to force back women in a position where their value, them want put woman back in a position where when woman look and say, all right, if me want better in a life, or if me want survive in a life, that's why I set up migration. Okay, right? Them want put back woman in a position now where them want woman to say, boy, if me want to reach somewhere, well, I mean, I understand what the man here said to man. Well, sorry, people. There's somebody in. Sorry, here. And mapped. And mapped. One domain. Mapped one. Met him. Right. So in my opinion, well, not my opinion, they have stated it explicitly that the goal is to put women back in a certain position. And what I'm elaborating on is that what I'm extrapolating on is to say that that position is essentially back in the dark ages, where women had no option. You see what going like over in okay. You see over in wait name there, where the woman them females, women could have go school, and from the United States come out and thing and them go back in a power. Them just them tell women to no, come back out of school. We don't want none of them go school and thing and cover up the whole of the body and thing. The only thing we're supposed to see on the yaya again and then sitting there and go right back in the house, go sit down and whatever. You see that place there? And that them people are aim for, you know. Try know that, you know. Right? Right? And that them people are aim for. Right? Now, but as I go now heads up, you know. There are certain things I can't say upon this right, you know, because again, you know, I don't want nobody go say whatever. But may I just bring something to our attention so that when the opportunity come for you to exercise certain rights we wanna still have right now, wanna do it. Exercise those rights and protect our interests, right? I'm just saying all this to say that, right? I come down to a baby thing, man. That's a part of it, you know, and then this other thing where you have some man, you know, them can't manage woman when woman just speak for themselves and, you know, and say, no, I want to do this, you know, and you can't control me, and, you know, and this whole thing about this word, this S word has become so important now. This S word as it relates to women. Submit. It have so many meanings for so many people right now, but you have some man mad out there, you know, you have some group of people, them a woman for submit and thing, and them ever use the Bible. You know, me I do some work, you know, and then the man I link me, I know, I tell me say work complete, me for check it. My God, what a time, man. People bear with me, you know. Remember, I said, we're there, we're not, we as foreign, you know. Anyway, that is that, you know. You might have to go wait until. But anyway, what go on we do not otherwise. Me just a go na heads up with that, you know, for pay attention to what go on, and take steps to protect on the interest. All right, take steps to protect on the interest. All right, make sure someone do that. All right. Anyway, wagwan. Is wagwan there, so? Wait there. I want this with Antasha. I wagwan there with Antasha and sweetsop. Oh. All right. When I come into Jamaica, when you want me come Jamaica? When you want me come Jamaica, talk to me. Me don't know wagwan. You remember say, some of them administrative stuff, you know, that's why I thank God for the right name they them, you know. I hope sweetsop never put nobody name or certain things in here. Well, let me see what sweetsop. I was sweetsop though. One on. Is wagwan. Sweetsop, Antasha is a moderator, you know, and she's a very reasonable woman. Wait there. Sweetsop, what you mean? He's responding to something. Boy, Raga easily distracted. But Sweetsop, what you mean me easily distracted? You know, you me tell us something important come up and me have to deal with it. You brighten a blood clot and whatever about easily distracted. You done smart. And the woman I try if you just be respectful to you and just calm and tell her whatever. And boy, you're ready for take her on. Take her on my bumbo clot. Go about your business, man. If you don't have no patience and no flexibility in this and whatever, don't come over here, come argue with the people and go on like you want to come bully people. If you have the blood clot, do your sweets up. And which part of your blood clot sweet? No, but you're not sweet. Because you're idiot. No, she was not. No, she was not. No one else took it serious. No, but then that's there for do. She's a moderator. But me I take advantage. What you mean me get distracted easily? And me tell us something important come up. Me have a visit for do. Me have a pity them for feed and whatever and this and that and whatever. When two blood clots spoil when I come and sometimes when I chat be a fuckery and thing and poison up a thing and whatever. It was a joke. No, it wasn't a joke. Me read it, I never know a joke. You say Raga distracted easily. When me clearly say people, me ask permission and thing. Me do and sitting here, so whatever, my work, my job, and the man I respond to me right now, and I don't do these things, but it is important. So nobody tell me about no joke. Me see it, Raga distracted easily. When me done explain to you, say something come up and me have to deal with it and thing and whatever, and the lady just I tell her say easy, because when I come in on the chat, on a guana, look a frigid, and sometimes when I chat to blood clot, but you don't need to say nothing. Look how much people in there, nobody never say nothing about it and think. You have to go and take it down and extra up your blood clot self or whatever. You know, sometimes you grew up in a school and I must do something good, so I feel bad and thing and whatever, you know, but I don't drink my prune juice. You know. Antasha, I read the thing, you did nothing. But Antasha, you know. Antasha never pick pan her and I tell you as a sweetsop go easy, you know, because you know me turn down. Sweetsop, I look out for you and I see I rank with that. But me ready for you, and touch and whatever this and that you converse. I look out for you, no Sweetsop. Okay. Yeah. Nah, man, me not do them something, you know, but me some consulting thing and whatever, and people, me love this, you know, but me I be honest with you, you know, this don't pay my bills yet. Okay, it not pay my bills yet. So me have to do, me have all kind of stress and thing and whatever. You know much people are depend on me. All of Jamaica right now and all them something there, whatever. You know much people are depend on me. Me can't idle out the things. So when such and such things come in and whatever, me never did a plan for it come in. When you hear that, when you hear the click thing, we go pop. When you hear that something there, when you can't hear it when it come in. When you hear one thing go pop. And then you see me I respond when I hear it. Eh? Yeah, man. So I text the man, I communicate the man, I communicate with him all the way from Malaysia. Right? So I have to respond to him and whatever I have to do, what I have to do. That's why I said, well, you know, for them time now, early morning over there, and the man been at work right through the night and all them something or whatever. So that I go on, I'm beg gonna look at patience and thing. And Sweetsop come here, so come and go on like say, you know, Ray. I wish she gone. Sweetsop, where you gone? Then Sweetsop, you look at Ray and you gone, so already. Not going nowhere, man, turn where you there, man. That's how we go on. Sweetsop, a thick skin and broad back over here, you know. Sweetsop, she's always. Sweetsop, big up yourself, yeah. And if anybody trouble, you can call me a Sweetsop, because I'm a big friend. Oh. Yes, Sweetsop. If Chumpy ever takes it by your cat, Chumpy, where you trouble Sweetsop for? Chumpy, why you trouble Sweetsop? Chumpy, don't make me have nothing, you know. Why you leave my Sweetsop alone? Okay. All right. Chumpy, leave my friend here. Okay, leave Sweetsop. Sweetsop, but Sweetsop look like she familiar with TamFam, you know, like me like her, you know, cause she said she's still there, but always they say look like she knows her thick skin and broad back do it over here, you know. Sweetsop must say, I say, kiss me ass, Raga, your favor kuno mono. No, Sweetsop, no, me just a pick one Chumpy, man, like randomly, cause no, I was just joking just now. Me never said Chumpy really do anything, you know. No, Sweetsop I said, no, Chumpy cool. No, me know that man, Chumpy no do nothing. Me just use him name, just pick on him randomly, you know? Yeah. Big up yourself, yeah, Sweetsop. Me no know, I'm stinking. Raga come like him want come class you up and send you up and thing. Raga for go away. Big up yourself, yeah, Sweetsop. You're good as them for know that. One Sweetsop around here. I don't even Soursop. People, why them call Soursop and Soursop not sour? Well, it have a look at tangy thing about it, but it not sour. What we call sour, it not sour. Eh? Right? Like, you know, some people associate themselves with some fruit to make them look good, you know. Yeah, come bite up the apple here. My girl come suck off the banana here. And whatever, you know, Sweetsop. You never hear anybody like... You never hear anybody like I say, hey, my girl, you know, say, me and your Soursop, you know, come. Like, nobody not do that. Like, Soursop get a raw deal. When Soursop nice, hey, who, probably someone, you know, Ellen says Soursop tangy versus Sweetsop. Well, yes, Sweetsop sweeter than Soursop, but, yes, I said it. Like, Soursop is a tad bit tangy, but, Soursop nice for eat raw. I love eating Soursop raw. But in truth, enough Jamaican really like eat Soursop, you know. Right, you know. But me, I love eating Soursop raw. Yeah, Queen Rose, you have to have a nerve to be a sour. No, when I fight against Soursop, big up Soursop, yeah. Yeah, I love to be a woman Soursop, come juice me. Yeah, man, Soursop, hey, I'm gonna talk about Soursop. Hey, I'm gonna see all of the stories them say like, hey, Soursop a big something when it a fight cancer, and certain like big illnesses and them something, Soursop huge, Remember me telling you here, big something, man, huge. Hey, whenever I go in at some of them health food store and I say, how much them a charge for Soursop leaf? You know, must take a joke me I make. Soursop leaf is a thing up here, Soursop leaf, you make tea and whatever, this and that. Well, we don't have a fat pan of Jamaica, You know much health food store, I can't believe, at this I come back and say, Soursop leaf I sell. Right? Big up Soursop. We are dedicated that show you to Soursop. Yeah, that show you tonight, we are dedicated to Soursop. And when we say Soursop, been I get a raw deal in our world. And Soursop is like, it's a misnomer. That means the name not fit. right? Okay? It's a misnomer. Correct him the pan say Soursop a body food. It's a misnomer. Okay? Soursop nah get the respect where it deserve, right? Because look at it now. Soursop way better for you than sweetsop, Soursop way better for you than sweetsop. And Soursop might look. I know check. Yeah. And you know, Soursop look better than sweetsop. Yes, Soursop, I look at juky sitting in them and whatever. But sweetsop look, remember I say sweetsop bumpy, it have some rough, like the skin and whatever. Between Soursop and sweetsop, which one better looking? Let me see what I say right. Between Soursop and sweetsop, which one better looking? Soursop. Sandra says sweetsop. Chantil says sweetsop, Soursop. Wait till some sweetsop are coming in, Sweetsop look better than Soursop. K-bar, K, big up yourself, No. Me think Soursop look better than sweet. Yeah, but cause sweetsop hook and tight, Yeah, and Soursop was big and juky down. But sweetsop. When it's a cheese sweetsop have them kind of rigid edges there and thing and whatever. I don't know. I didn't like instinctively want to give Soursop the win, but I don't know. Yeah. See, Ellen said the sweetsop have the glamity. And so, well, one thing is for sure, though. I love eat Soursop, but most Jamaicans like eat Soursop raw, whatever. But sweetsop is more pleasurable to eat, I don't want nobody reading that, because I know I'm a disgusting and tan, right? We know nobody reading that. I'm just saying that sweetsop is more fun to eat. Don't it, Milo? What's up? Anyway, Mixup. What upon kissing Mixup? Any Mixup where something crazy happen with kissing involved, or any other Mixup wanna have, all right? Any Mixup with kissing involved, or any other Mixup wanna have when I involve kissing or whatever and things like that. Some Jamaican man, them just, I don't know, I can't. So, I love my country, I love my people, So this woman a date one man, you know, and them really cool, you know. And the man really like her, you know. But I one of them hard-working man there, you know, man. Them old school man there and thing and whatever. And you know a certain word me can't say it on TikTok. You know, one time me I say it and I never did even have weight name the this and that, but I go say the word and something come up on TikTok say you have been using hate speech and thing about to cut off your life and thing. It's a good thing. They make me appeal it. And then I appeal it and then me get back something. I say somebody I check it. So it look like somebody check it for true, you know. And then them send me back something again and I say, okay, we have reviewed and thing and them good. You know, TikTok no play, you know. Just because I said that word, a B-man. But me never say it, I done them. I say people use the rag, this and that. But just the mention of the word, I'll go pick it up on a problem. But, so this man, I date this woman, you know. But a old school man, you know. And, them they are in a restaurant. And them have dessert. And, you know, but she say him treat her good, like spend pan her, check pan her, whatever. One of them man, they were like, you are my responsibility, or whatever. Everything, him deal with everything, pay all of the bills, the whole works. But she said them there at the restaurant, and when I'm done, she get one cake, one of them tiramisu, something then, whatever. And she said she goes to take a piece and say, honey, taste it. And she said, man, where I do? You're going like some me the B word, B man. You know what I'm saying? I want like some a B man. Like make it make sense. Yo, man, tell you, some Jamaican boy, me can't. You have people. Yeah, you have. Me not like use the term, but Jamaican love to say him dark, right? You know, me not love the connotation I associate negativity with, you know, the darker colors. But the woman I gave a piece of cake, what that have to do with, like, you know, I'm going like say me a T-man, you know? Like, you know, how him reach this so, you know, like, them just have this thing, like, once I'm uncomfortable with something or whatever, I'm gone in the realm of sexuality and I say, yeah. One time, me counsel some, not counsel, but I was giving a presentation. And a man said, when him say, me have to mind my pitney them, you know, oh. And make sure say my mind my pitney them, you know, oh, cause me I know T-man. So if you don't mind if it them, yeah. The point I'm making, the term, not just means specifically that, you know. It also means that it encompasses a range of negativity. So it's not just one thing, if you understand what I'm saying, you know. So if you're mean, yeah, T-man. If you're nasty, if your hygiene are good, yeah, T-man. You know, it's like, but people do it all over the world, though, in truth, you know. It's like any little thing, them say, you just a effing F-A-G-G-O-T, and so it's one of them little things. Anyway, I could see what I go on right, you know, and thing, right? Any kissing mix-up or any other mix-up wanna have, any kissing mix-up or any other mix-up wanna have, wanna come up in our chat, right, you know. Come, sinner! Well, go down, licious, sinner licious. Dream chaser, where you did there? You hide out, eh? Dream chaser, go on, where you did there? Dream chaser, I don't know me that look for you. You make big man I look for you and can't find you. I'm joking, okay? I'm joking. Latisha, so. Wait, where is sweetsop? Where is my sweetsop? Where's my sweetsop? All right. Andrew Purple say, our dreams, them dead. You know, you leave her alone, you know, Andrew Purple. Leave Dream Chaser alone, you know, okay? Dream Chaser, tell him say your dreams, them can't dead. Not there. Right? I used to ever dream and move forward and all these things. So people, so yesterday, you know, I go through the different kiss of them. I'll post it, and I take that out of the way it name them, post it on the thing to them. Right? I'm going to go through the different kissers. Well, me a man, me a telling you, right? So I'm telling you, say, you have the vice grip, the woman them kiss, and them open them mouth before you all kiss them, you know. Or sweetsop, I do look at washing. Angle your business, yeah, boo-boo. Them open them mouth before you kiss them, you know. But then, as soon as you come up and you put your mouth, them come, so. And them mouth close, then teeth close. Right? Them they are the vice grip, and you can't get them just lock like a vice grip, then open them mouth. Then you have the Duns River them, the Duns River kiss of them, as me say, right? Me no know for them mouth just spring water, so. For them mouth just spring water. It's like, once them start kissing, you know, like a whole heap of water cup. And what me not like, you know, is when them put the water over in your mouth. Then, and I worry about water come out of your mouth, and the embarrassing thing is, so now the water will come out of your mouth, and it's not your water. I feel them water, then come fling over in your mouth. One bad pan of water, then come put over by you. Right? Now, me I tell you, say some woman do that. Once they start kiss them mouth, spring water. Right? And then you have the drill of them. You have some woman now, when them a kiss, them feel set the way you move. It's like them now move them tongue sideways and feel it and whatever. Them just feel set them feel like the mouth a juke you know, the drill of them. Them a kiss them. You know, when baby have soda or whatever. You know? So them they are the drill of them, you know. And then you have the Hollywood kiss of them. The one them are tired you out. Them can't stay still when them a kiss. And then just one will heap kill up themselves and kill up themselves. And just a go on. And when they ready, them love bed up in it, you know. The Hollywood kiss of them, you know, the woman them, you know. As soon as they start kiss them whole body just bend so. Yeah. As soon as they start kiss the Hollywood kiss of them, see them. Yeah. And, hey, let me tell you something. You have a thing where man do, and when a man feel it, women love that shit. But you know something I like when woman do it to me? I'm not going to tell you now why, eh? I don't like when woman do it to me, you know. Me want to do it to woman. One of them something that me want to do to woman. I've worse if I like her, you know. I want to do that to her. But women love when men tenderly hold their faces and just kiss them, you know, ever so softly and thing and whatever, right? Women just love that. Worse if them a feel you and whatever, they just friggin' love that, you know? But if me I sit down and think and whatever, you know, most of the women, I've never dated a woman taller than me, right? So I don't know, if you... It's not a big deal, you know, obviously, but I'm just saying, you know, I mean if I do it. I mean if I do it. And talking about kissing. Men, Jamaican men, listen to me. Take it from Mass Raga, the old man, I tell you something right now. You know what woman love? You know what kind of kiss woman love? You know what kind of kiss woman love? When I tell you that woman love it. And it looks simple, you know. You see, if you just randomly give woman a look a forehead kiss and whatever, bumbo. Watch what you got happening in the chat. Watch what got happening in the chat. Watch what got happening in the... Now we're not talking about French kiss, you see it? King Anthony, watch what got happening in the chat. You see that little romantic, you know, like you care about her, like how she feels, say you care about her, and you know, that little forehead kiss, them. Nah, women love that man. Right? Yeah, see there? See there? No, neck kiss, no random. Woman no really like neck kiss. When you sort out neck kiss bad because the neck are one erogenous zone. You understand? Neck kiss, one bad something, man. Yeah, put on a little neck kiss and yeah, I do a little nibbling and biting on the neck right there. So, man, I want me to you, man. But you don't know that a old school something, not to mention the icky them. And sickness. So that goes without saying. Neck kiss. Christina said, just bite me. You like it bite, don't? Yeah, me. Me like it bite them, you know. Me like it bite them. But you know, 1 or 2 times a woman can be a little bit too extra with the biting and thing and whatever. And then the thing we beat people with that, you know. Yeah, we can't talk about this to me, a old man. Timing. Yeah, some people, if you feel a person and whatever, there is yeah, no bite too early. Don't be an early biter. Yeah. You know, I'm telling you, when I did that outside and woman them talk to me, them said, Jesus, Raga, you can't talk to the man, them, yeah, give them little backers and tutus, them start ras you up on your body. Sky. Whenever, you know, I know, the woman them say, yes, and I always look young as them, you know, I look, never say come see old man and whatever, you know. Yeah, wait, what Sonia said, she has sampling. I was Sonia, Sonia give me a phone. Let me see how she said, cause she has sampling. Me I go our country next month. Me I go Grenada next month. The first time me I go Grenada, people me I back up. Me back up to see what Sonia said, but me not see what she, I when I ask Sonia for her phone, but me not see. Probably Christina can pin it for me or sitting car. I can't see it. Oh, Sonia said, well, pokey kiss is the best. Jesus, God, what we are going to do with her? What we are going to do with her? What we are going to do with her? Yeah. What we are going to do with Sonia? Yeah, man, so the woman them say, and so a young boy them man, them 2 tools, and then start getting the woman a bounce it back, one whap. The woman them say them don't like it. Like if you start slap them up early, it have to, timing, man, you have to feel when you can do it. And when you do the slap, I don't know what you pass slap either. You know? Someone have post something like chat, you know. Yeah, I don't know what he pass slap, you know. Unless like Cookie Man stress, like a Cookie Man stress now, she in a chat. If a Cookie Man stress, I know you slap up her ass yet because she deserves slap up because she going like she too wicked, you know. So sometimes when you have discipline, man, you know, you have to give them a couple more slap and thing, but that is the exception. That is the exception. In general, it's a one slap if you give her, man, and nobody put butter blood in a woman when you assault her out and these things, you know. Cookie Manchester, both are good. Cookie Manchester, if me assault me tell her at least half a dozen slap you're going to get by your ass. Half a dozen, minimum. And, you know, properly timed and thing and whatever, you know. And girt you. And sitting in a car, you know. You see, you're a bad girl when it comes to certain things. More chance, man. Anyway, let me just say, let me want to have to say, anybody have anything, any mix-up want to have, right? Any mix-up want to have, and just come in with them and things, see? Or if you don't have any mix-up or have anything that involve kissing, you know? And thing like that, could make we hear what go on, you know? Remember, we don't force nothing around here, you know, we allow it to come, and then when it come, we decide if we want to accept it. It's our choice. And if we accept it, we run it. We control it. We take charge. Yeah, so we do a thing, you understand? Watch your right. Right? I say Ragashanti a veteran in this, you know. We don't force things around here.
Good night, Raga. Good night, everyone.
And a good night to your double act, Tracy.
I tell her rain a fall in a Raga.
Wait. Rain a fall.
Rain a wet up out the door like crazy.
Which part is out the door?
Moderator for Jamaica have this, so.
Them me in the same place then, man.
Then I tell us rain a wet up out the door. You know, look out the door.
Okay. No, man, I know it's a rain a fall out, man. Cause
Enough water out the
no,
door.
when my kids them mother they come for them and me I go. And my sister rain a fall. Me have to carry them back in quick and cover them up and thing and whatever, man. When carry them out to them mother. So me sister the rain a
say
fall.
water more than flour.
What? Other one that go what?
Rain more than flour.
Water more than flour.
Yes.
That's how when the dumpling, that's how when the kneading spoiled, though.
You pick up another fast.
Yeah, when water more than flour, then the thing not spoil, man. And then it ever go turn in a fritters.
No, you know, I never turn a spoiled dumpling in a fritters yet.
You never do that yet?
No, especially worse when I lost flour. Oh, me hurry up and wash me hand, flash off me hand, make it dry, and take the flour, make them fast, and drop them in a pot.
Well, two things. You can't turn it in a fritters if you cook it for like say soup, obviously, and them so.
Yeah.
Or whatever. But if I did say you had a fried dumpling and thing and whatever, but
no,
I don't know if this ever reach you, but it reach poor people. May I tell you this?
It reached me a couple times when
no, I'm not saying what I'm saying. Like you need and it's spoiled and you don't have no more flour.
Now that me say, it reach me because I'm do wash off my hand, flash off it dry. And mostly when I make dumpling or soup, boiled dumpling or soup.
Yeah.
That you something to me. Not when me young, even as an adult. And you hear me what a wicked dirty brood. The devil wicked when time I lost the flour you have, you know. Me learn. Me always as one I done me buy more. One big bag of flour. As me see the flour go down, me buy more.
Yeah, me know, but me I say based on your mess up now, what you do. Why you gonna blame the devil for that? What Satan have to do with the fact that you
I said devil wicked when things happen, not true.
You know too, wicked man.
Oh man with me. We have to find somebody to blame.
You know what something on blame Satan for?
Yeah,
and Satan fault and thing and whatever. I wanna blame the devil. Satan trying, you know.
A woman, we have to find somebody to blame. You think we're gonna take you blame?
Man, well, you don't say one no accountable for nothing. Me give up
on
me
not take no blame for nothing.
Me give up on with that, you know. No, man, a long time.
Me a spin that round, Raga.
No, me said the minute for years now, you know, the minute me and a woman involved, me say, let it go, you know. Yes, man, because you not take responsibility for nothing. You not say you wrong.
No, I will say I'm wrong, but me not take responsibility so easy. Me have to go around the thing first and sweet up and force me sweet up before me really say me wrong. I will say I'm wrong and I will apologize.
That not count.
Hey, Raga. You know, we a woman will love sweet up, you know. We prefer we turn around the thing and sweet you up.
Oh, me not ramp shut it down unless the sweet up involves some kind of dash out.
Then always, in my term, sweet up a dash out. Nobody else.
No, but but you know, the worst thing, you know, is like you know when have a serious argument, you know, a serious issue, you know, and then she go run it by and go and like say the issue gone.
Sometimes.
No, I find that so insulting.
No, but Raga, sometimes when as man do it and give him money and say, I feel so that the issue gone.
That is true, you know. That is
okay,
true. No, it's true.
So I want different way we do it. We might not give no money like that.
No,
so
that
easy,
is a very
but we do the dash out.
When they give money like that so easy, we don't give money at all.
No, we give man money. We used to give man money.
And nothing is wrong with that. Nothing is wrong with that. Put it this way, any woman give me money, once me have money, me I go give her back money.
Yeah, if a man
for the simple reason she spend her money for me, I spend all my money for
yeah, if me have a man and me know say things kinda not say hard, but like, alright, say I not Ph.D and him need some money. I may have it, I go give him. Me no business when nobody wants to say. I'm a give him.
I know. Why every time when you say, yeah, me give man money. If him go through some hard times and him need a little money for well, not always just
no love take money from some man no love take money from woman, Raga. That's why I said that. Am I lying?
Well, no, you're right.
Yeah.
No, but you ever notice that Anytime you ask woman that and them say, yeah, them will do it, it's always like, yeah, you know, if I'm going to look at hard time and him need that, me help him, you know, but it can't be too long, you know. And then something I'm going to continue is just...
No.
From there, Jamaica, you know, when woman a call and attack, and when we talk to them always say that that's the only way them will give somebody
Turn that
something.
down.
Yeah.
More give one little mix up when I grew up with my mother.
Well on there. Which I know Biggie that. I know Biggie. Our Biggie named Biggie from Jerusalem. Okay, anyway. Oh, he's a man. Him say I don't like take money from woman. Okay, he's a man. Yeah, what you say? Give me that mix up here, no
Yeah.
double.
All right, before me go there, see, me tell us enough man, me no know, it's just like we woman, we not easily apologize, most of us or some of us. Enough man I like take money from we, especially when they know, say, woman, we tend for other way. I'm not saying I'm one of them, but we tend for other way if we take you and cuss back your man them. You understand me?
No,
And
not
belittle
only
them.
that. You know, go on, like, you know, I can run the man head after that.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of it, and I hate that, and I
So
don't
many,
know why
yeah,
females
because
do
of
that.
no,
That's
me no
not
want you,
right.
yeah. me
And I
can't
don't
attack.
wrong the man them for don't want to take the money, you know, because it's really bad, especially if I your partner and wanna grow together. Me not see nothing wrong with you giving him some money, and you got to
Listen to
turn
me.
on
Me
cussing
tell you
about it.
straight. No. Listen, me talk it straight. Man for mine, woman, you know, if I your woman mine and no make no other idiot come clown you. But if I somebody you care for spend for her, even if you don't even deal with her, just you know, there is nothing wrong with being kind, right? Nobody take it for fool or anything. But at the same time, this thing I want to for them about woman not for mine, man. I don't join it. If a woman want mine, a man, mine your man. You must know what you get from him.
What a level of mind you mean?
All relationship, you know, is an exchange, you know. And all exchanges have their terms of agreement. And if two people are together, and that one you know what them I get from that one, yeah, and that one you know what them I get from that one, yeah. And if it involves the woman, I mind the man, mind the man. Me know a woman mind, me know a woman there with man, I mind the man or whatever. And what she say is that she said from she there with that man, she never have to call any farmer repairman with her house. She said she like him, man, you know. She loved the man, you know. But she said, she said, friend, she there with him. I could have plumbing, I could have mason, and whatever, this and that. So she said, yeah, man, I mind him and whatever, you know, much money that, you know, whatever. That is the exchange
That's
that
a
work for
good
them.
one. What about the one then we just sit down and not take him in and no want work, no want do nothing?
That's a different. No, we're not talking about workless, man. We're not talking about workless.
Okay, all right, take
We're
that
not
out there.
talking
See,
about-
Sonia stay, and I agree with Sonia. Good body forget mining.
I hear me say that already.
Every
Good body
time,
for
that's
mine.
our motto over here.
And based on what go on in the world too. We don't want good mouth and good tongue forget mining too.
Jesus.
I'm just saying that the only problem. You know how much people out there put in the work on them mouth and them jaw kind of tired. Right? And them mouth and them jaw kind of tired. So
Del Marina look pie and a laugh.
Del Marina look for me and I wish she had to. You know, say something tell me say she's a closet freak.
Del Marine, you need to take it out the closet. Come out the closet. R.
Kelly.
Kelly.
What you think? You know, things that Del Marina when I am look.
My face says she very sneaky and she our bedroom thing turn up.
No. But me no know if
she are one of them.
I don't know, but something
in a freakiness. I feel that Del Marine would go beyond
a closet
freaky.
freak, but me not think I saw it out, no.
No, I mean like in a foreplay freakiness.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, my feel says she one of them where Del Marine would make a man scream cause she a go all out.
I don't think so.
Del Marine, step to the front of the class.
No, I don't think so. I mean, I think she good like that.
Don't play with her. You see how she look? Yes, you she look. Yes, you she look?
No, yes.
Me not feel say you have to play with her in a that way.
One on. You know, say you see she short and windy.
Yeah,
you know, say
woman. Yeah,
you know, say
wassy.
All of the little, unless then just a boss and no, but outside of that, them short
petite woman, them wassy.
And slim, them look slim woman look like them can't mash.
Yeah, that's why I say yeah.
Remember me tell him, man, a dangerous game. And you say, some woman was some man say, yo, you're a champion, that thing look. And then can't do fat.
No, me see enough champion, but I'm a woman, so nobody go there.
Well, me I
tell you what
me thinks that Delmarine sort out is like, probably average,
Me think she was surprised with. Me, that's what me think.
Okay, all right. So anyway, give me a mix-up.
Mixup. My mother grew me up on this story. Me kid kiss. As a teenager growing up, my mother said one day there was this girl and this boy, young people a kiss. And the girl kissed the boy. And them suck out tongue business there. And one suck out so till he suck out and the pan a bay make me get the bubble gum and a chew. Raga, woman say which bubble gum when I look. One bag of cool the boy suck out I say Raga, my mother disgust me for years, traumatized me. Me say Raga, I swear to you, me. Raga, me traumatized. Me say, my mother make me hate kissing. Every time. Little saliva touch me, and me can't remember, babe. Make me get the bubble gum.
Cheese and peas. That is so gross. And getting just suck out one big glob of coal.
Me say when last night me hear you alien caviar talk about you sitting. Me say me have to turn down your phone. Me say no man, me can't bother with the mouth swap business and the gun driver thing. Since that you talk about it. Me turn it down cause for me easy to turn off.
No,
that's why I say them soursop juice the where you say put pan face up. Me can't me and you if you want broke my vibes, tell me about that soursop business there. If you go taste here, if you go drink here, if you go make it touch my skin. Me crawl.
Well, you have a problem with that. Why you have a problem with that?
Yes, my mother tell me about kissing and me not fi kiss because me a go get bubble gum.
Hold on. A man never eat fruit off of your body.
Yes, man, I me do the same.
What kind of fruit?
Grapes, strawberries.
Strawberry always a win this one, you know.
Yeah, man, I'ma do the yogurt, the Yoplait yogurt. I'ma do the whipped cream.
Whipped cream is standard. But hold on. What melted? Wait. Stick up in me melted. Yogurt.
Yes, the Yoplait yogurt.
No, what the fuck? What you have sex and I think about to eat healthy?
No, not eat healthy. Jesus Christ. But yogurt is nice too.
No. What I don't know. Yeah, sex and be like, listen, it's gotta be probiotic. Hello.
No. That's how I do it. Thinking that, Raga.
You can imagine that. Yeah, like a worker.
You just grab some from the fridge.
And you're back out the yogurt and the girl that say, hold on, is that probiotic? It's got to be probiotic. Hello. It's not probiotic. No, what are you doing with that? That's not good for me. Next time get probiotic. You're going to work with the yogurt. Let it be probiotic, okay?
We were just being spontaneous and I just grabbed something out of the fridge.
You just grab out your yogurt.
Yeah, and the yogurt. So.
Yeah. No, you see that spontaneity is something that it's great when it works, you know.
Yeah.
But, yeah, I know
you
that
not plan nothing.
You know, so one time I go spontaneous with honey.
Oh Lord. Yeah, me hear you talking. Raga, me don't know where you get that from. Just like how you talk about me and my yogurt. You know that thing said that I go sticky.
No, it never crossed my mind.
You know what else me get to? The chocolate syrup.
It never work at all. You do chocolate syrup?
Yeah, but it's sticky. It not still like the melted chocolate. The melted chocolate better than the chocolate syrup. The chocolate syrup sticky bad. It and the what you call the pancake syrup. Me nah, I try and it was just a dip on the head, but
it was a what?
A dip on the head.
A dip on the head.
Yes. Like dipping cucumber in your
Well, usually I dip in a chocolate. No, you dip the chocolate thunder in.
Yes. It was a dip on the head.
A dip on the head.
Yes. Yeah, man. And Lord, we're gonna but that turn rain a fall, but that turn my memories up.
No. So what? Rain put in a little moon to do.
Yeah, me kind of miserably I know to you know.
Oh, nothing no running a while though.
Yes.
I saw it go down.
Due time now, due time.
Jeez and peace. It's like the Sahara Desert and
I
thing.
may have some business around up and down class and everything, so
Lord Jesus.
not happen for now
Nothing
neither.
Nothing
Well, me
happen
the
for
break, but yeah.
They ain't just want me a top jar and take out. That's something there, man.
You never give me none of CBS alone, you give that big brown something. You did give me all the next one where you did have a giveaway. I'm tell us a Raga beg you one for and when did they give the gift one them? Where you did order from Amazon the time.
Yeah, where they did figure
I've
out
never
Raga
owned one. I used to say I don't want one, but boy Raga, you sure make me need one.
You've never owned a vibrator?
Never owned a Rose or a whatever
Never at all.
Never in my entire life. Raga, growing up as a teenager, I used to use the fruits named cucumber and plantain.
You used to use them? Hold on. I understand the cucumber, but I'm always curious about the plantain. Based on how the plantain stay with it's three like fairly triangle edges. It's not uncomfortable for you.
May I tell you something? For me, I use the plastic pan it. It feel better. And yes, it was uncomfortable, but boy, the masturbation stage there when you're in a teenage.
Then the plant, but the cucumber more comfortable than the plant, right? To be clear,
definitely
correct?
Smoother.
Okay, smoother, yeah.
Smoother and bigger.
Right.
Very enticing.
Okay, the cucumber.
Yes.
Well,
the partner was very uncomfortable, but you know, it had, you have to pick the good plantain, the ones that were nicely and not maga and figure creep you up. Yeah.
And then the other thing I always find curious, whenever people are talk about that, them say plantain. Why them not say banana?
No, banana too little bit Raga. Already not take you like plant. You just the thought of a little bit. No, sir. You just want we want to hold on for something while we are receiving something.
No, but what I'm saying is plantains are generally bigger than banana, right? But what I say is but some people don't want them big something that why them not just use banana.
Yeah, even when I want
why a plantain always get that ratings?
Me,
so I'm free coming and chat there.
See it.
Yeah, moderator fling them out there for me. Yeah. See, some people I say plantain too big, you know.
But I want a little piece me take, but me still like the plantain. Me never take a banana.
So when you say the plantain, you have more for wall and pan when you
deal
with it. So
even
if you not take your wall and plantain, you still have some.
Take olive.
Oh, me see what you say. At least
but
you have something
maneuver
for
better, yeah.
But the banana a little bit so you can't wall and firm. Oh, me see what you say. That makes sense, you know. That makes sense. That makes sense.
Even me choose the cucumber over them there because the cucumber, you know, you have a firm. I mean, I choose a little cucumber, like them hybrid cucumber there.
We
mean big and thick. I mean that it have a length. Raga.
We mean them hybrid cucumber. Them top class cucumber.
Yes. I me wash my cucumber. When me done, me not put it down for nobody else eat that. Me turn around, wash that with soap and something and turn around yam that myself with salt and black pepper. Cause me know want nobody eat if you then go say me go them I eat me sitting.
Oh, okay.
Yes. You ask somebody already why them use the condom pan it. Me rather the feel of the condom. It feels much better than. Remember, you did ask somebody already. So why you wanna use something? Why you gonna use a condom pan it? As Elaine did say, she loved the feel of the condom. You know, it more lubricated.
Well, I find that it's a hygiene thing with women in general.
Yeah, I'm not gonna
because me never find the logic where a woman. Because women, you know, they clean their dildos and their vibrators, you know.
And I would do the same if I had one.
But then them cover it. So then
I would keep mine in a plastic or something, yeah.
Yeah, but I was like, say if you go to all the thing, it's like if you wash a spoon and then you cover it. It's like you don't wash the spoon. Like, what you gonna cover it for? But it's like a thing with women. I think it's a psychology thing. It's like once this thing is going inside of me, it must be covered. Period.
As some stay in a Raga, even with sex and my partner, I shower before and I shower after. Call me whatever OCD, but that's just me. You know, me not jump, even if we meet at hotel, I'm a meet, me not 1 and 2 times I used to do in a car, and the younger days that was different. But now me get older, me get very OCD. We have to meet at hotel where me can get a nice bath.
Me get used to that after a while, but the first woman who me this day, so it did kind of trip me. Come I never used to it, but I you done. She just fly up and gone and
a
go a bathroom,
yeah.
go and bed, like whatever,
Yeah.
you know, like. But yeah, but if a woman stays so do you know?
And if I'm me and a man, you can't tell me say me figure bed or me, you see me a bed and you know want come bed too. Me I go tell you come. First me sweet up and say come, we a go hold a bath, because I told we have to bed.
Well, yeah, the man have to bed right before too.
He have to bed with me. That's my way of getting him that way. Me sweet him up and say come, we a go hold a bath and sweet.
But when I say you never started with a man on a bed before, right before you started.
Me not say no, but rarely, and not since me this old.
Oh, Craig Tan say him not like it. Him not chat. Him say him not like when woman go bed right after.
No, sir, me bed before and after. Because even if we are going to lay down until me lay down little, you need to pay? I'm coming. I'm sorry. Yeah. Me not really like, that's just my thing. Come, baby, come.
So what you think about like Angie up at Canada, you know? She not bed neither before nor after. What you have to say about that?
Me can't knock nobody for what them choose, you know, but me grow in this thing now that I have to do it. I'm not comfortable, and if me even do a little quickie, me have to jump up and run go bed.
So you know, have no advice to Angie up at Canada about this thing?
Angie, yes, when you're fresh, you don't have no limit. You go all out.
And for people who want to know, she's in the chat. Her name is Angie McNally with the Canadian flag. Yeah. So what you say to Angie now? What you say to her? So
Miss Angie McNally, let me tell you.
Yeah.
When you and your partner hold a nice shower on a foreplay with everything on a go from bottom to top. And the sweetest that, try it. Raga, you know what me love? Me love a bathroom sort out. Straight. Me love it in the water. Straight. Yeah, man.
Yeah, you sound
start
excited.
You up in the bathroom.
Yeah.
And water run pan we are doing thing.
Yeah.
I left from bathroom and go in a bedroom.
Yeah.
Well, and get a good back as I see. That me love when me in a bathroom and start out. Yeah, man,
but what about them people, you know? Because women say, I'm just tell you what women say. Women say, and I don't know, 1 or 2 women tell me this, or quite a few women tell me this over years, you know, over decades. But them say some man will tell a woman that no, don't go beard. Them like it when it touch, as we say in Jamaica. You ever hear that yet?
Yes, I hear a lot of men say
yes, man, them say they like it when it touch.
Hear that.
Yeah, man, some man like it when it touch. Yeah.
I mean, I know all, because guess what? If you, that's why I don't even face down certain people. It have to be my special partner.
Hold on, Angie McMelly, come here, Raga. I have something for you. How you have for me, Angie? Angie, I could have what you have for Mr. Washmelly, you know. And wonder what you have for me, Angie. I could have what so.
See, if somebody say watch my private, whatever. Watch them.
What?
Them name watch my private, whatever. Check them out, thing.
Oh, one next one in there? One next free coming.
She see it.
No, man, CBS and Tasha, them.
Yeah, man, them the game.
Yeah. No, when Angie with that foolishness.
Me can't tell nobody say no take for them touch thinking about me, Raga. I'm not that person. Me will vomit, literally vomit. And you see through me no want gag. And me want enjoy my thing. My partner me the panel level.
Me no want it touch. It must fresh all the time. Fresh. Like fresh. Like super fresh. Yeah. Carry that touch thing, they gonna get Craig Tan and attitude. Them like them something the Craig Tan attitude and probably chump.
I mean no want travel among people. You ever travel among some people yet and smell steel FUCK upon them?
Oh God, yes, man.
Jesus
Yes.
Me ram figure in front of them and say, Jesus, people now to them, you can't smell this tail
And,
sitting on
and it's
them.
like them no know it, like you know dead and whatever. You just know, yeah.
Brother,
Yeah.
me no ram for run me mouth and say people no can't bid after no done F.
Yeah.
But God, man. No, man. Me no ram for run me mouth pan them, man. Cause true, me know me a beard.
Yeah.
Me walk with my wife if me there somewhere me can't beard.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
why?
beard,
What?
oh,
Yeah,
you
man,
mean.
you're fresh. Nobody nothing knows say you just done rain.
You see it. You
My
understand.
man.
I agree. And I
I'm
want to
telling
say
you,
big
something
up.
that smell raw. You literally can smell say the sex raw.
Ew.
It does come on the
Yeah,
blue, man.
no. Anyway, double up. Big up yourself, you know.
Big up yourself, Raga. Big up yourself, TamFam. Love you guys. Happy Thanksgiving for who are over here celebrating it. You know,
Yeah.
if you don't have your family, you can knock me up. Me a cook for Thanksgiving. And you can knock me up if you don't want like a plate or two.
People take that offer when you know. Be
I'm
careful.
serious. If you guys don't have
I'm
anybody
just
celebrating
saying.
with,
No, I'm just saying people have to be careful because remember say you're not too strong in the cooking area. So you know want
I mean, you really do that, Raga?
you know want body them belly go run pan good Thanksgiving and eat your half good cooking or your
Man,
part
you
of good
have to
cooking.
eat mine, you know, cause nobody can
No, we're
eat
not
mine,
talking
you know.
about that. Me just I say remember say you're munchie in the same category when it comes
Raga,
to
you really
cooking.
place me there,
When it
son,
comes to
Jesus
cooking, you
Christ.
know, you
So me go
understand?
talk about me go fry the time in the tin mackerel.
You want to join SDC you want to join ANC
You
to
done say SDC, but me never have a problem with neither SDC nor ANC because it's somewhere we belong.
trouble.
It's a sense of belonging, so I don't mind.
All
And
right,
as
boo
them
boo.
say, one can't do without the other, so it's still somewhere. Have a wonderful night,
That's right.
everyone.
Have a wonderful night and enjoy your holidays, sweetie.
Thank
All
you.
right.
Bye.
Blessings, man. Tina Lee, what you up to? You beard? Tina, talk to me. You beard? Tina Lee, you beard? Come talk to Raga. I could see what go on there, so no. A problem, you know, with this as somebody ever come in. No. Problem. Hi, Sonia.
You have called this as somebody. Put some respect on my name.
Where is it?
Respect on my name. Put some respect.
Talking on phone, man. You're there for, unless you do something and talk to me. What you do? If you do the things, them, if you do the things, them and talk to me, me work with it, you know. Just give it like.
You a suck on something, yeah.
Yeah, suck on something, yeah. Yeah, man. Just give it a blow by blow commentary. All right.
Be a suck by something.
Wagwan.
Nothing me there. Young in my bed, watching TV. Rain falling.
What you have on? What you have on?
Clothes.
What kind of?
One short like a pajama and a silky something, but it's a
No. What kind of pajama you have on?
A short, one little short pants. You know those pajama with the shorts and those little spaghetti top something.
Okay, what is the material of the short? Yeah.
Some kind of silky something. It's
Silky.
soft and silky and nice.
Soft and silky. What's the color?
Pink and white.
Pink and where is the white? Is it all over it?
In and between each other, it make it floral.
Okay. I have on a spaghetti top. Look at spaghetti string top, right?
Yes, sir.
So it kind of hang loose of you, or is it figure hugging? Is it
Listen to me, figure hugging, and my breast cannot fit in it.
And your breast fit in it, meaning them stand up firm in it, don't?
And also,
yeah, don't.
Like soldier in the army.
And what? And the top? What color is the top? So the shorts is pink.
Both of them is the same thing. It's a set. It's
they match it. Them set. It's a set match. A pink and white too, don't it?
Yes, sir.
Right. All right. So you're in your bed, yes, sir, right?
Yes.
Oh, you lay down in your bed.
I'll be back.
By your back. Are your knees bent or your foot them straight?
My foot them straight.
You put them straight, I think. Are they cross or are them just straight?
They cross.
Them cross, your foot them cross with them. And then are you on your pillow? Are your head up on your
Yes,
pillow?
on
Your
my
back?
pillow. You
What
make
kind?
me head there.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
there's 6 pillow in the king size. No, 8 pillow in the king size bed.
Jesus God.
So me had 3 thing up and like you know, and then I have 3 on the other side with some little yeah, with some little decorative pillows. I always change them up gray. Right now the bed made up in gray and white.
And I really think you women need need therapy with this thing, you know. You need this pillow thing, this 8, 10, 12 pillow pound of bed or whatever.
Bed
It
has
just
to look
does.
nice, work and decorated. And they make it up, it's supposed to look nice.
Here is my problem with it, right? If it's one thing, when people come visit your yard, 9 times out of 10 them don't go in your bedroom. So who see the bedroom and no you see the bedroom. Are you alone see the bedroom most of the time, you know?
Of course, but you know when you wake up in the morning and you make up your bed, you clean up your house. You got nothing nice as some nice clean sheets with something
I understand that, but what is the logic? You make your bed
nice and you walk into your nice clean house and you see your nice bed. It's so cozy and listen, what's wrong with you?
You're missing the point. I have no problem with what you just said. Right? Nothing wrong with a clean sheet or whatever and all them something that you see it. I get that. But where is the logic in that you make the bed and you put an 8 or 10 pillow and them come down in size. The biggest one there at the back and then come right down to the small one. I don't know about the same side or whatever. So I be between them. Right? So on a 5, 6 pair of twin pound a bed, right? And big twin, second biggest, come right back down and thing. I want to put up a pillar them and all these things and whatever. I want to leave and come. Then when I don't come home, one by one. If you don't live alone, you don't always leave one set of the twin them on one side, you know, and sing and just sleep on one side. Yeah, but you have to fling off all of the pillar them. I mean, watch woman do it all the while. How to fling off the pillar them and go on the bed, and then you wake up and put them back on again, like serious decoration, Draga.
Yes, it is decoration. Yeah, you have to make the bed look nice and inviting, Raga.
Decoration is you have a nice curtain with there all the while at your window. That is decoration.
You know, some me don't like curtain. I don't like curtain, you know.
But why would I have to put on 10, 12 pillow upon the bed at night time and then fling them off at night time and then have to put them back on? We're not going to step extra work for all that. That's sitting there. We won't need so much pillow for. Nobody now use the pillow them. The pillow them just dead. You don't know use the pillow them.
The way how me sleep bad, by the time I wake up, how many pillow gone this way, some gone over so, me skin out so, this way I don't sleep bad.
How you do? You kick all both and skin out all both when you sleep.
When that's my mother always say, this little girl could sleep bad, I've up my legs. Hey.
Wow, yo,
breathe out.
That's one of the benefits when you live a tenement yard and you look a picnic, you know. What? You know, stop people and the woman them when they must sleep bad and thing and go over and people and whatever, this and all our vibes, you know.
Me sit down bad and me sleep bad. I just have to be careful, especially me sit down bad too. Listen to me.
Hey, well on.
Especially when I wear skirt and stuff, I have to be careful. Because I just throw myself on a chair. And I don't care.
Know, there's a thing when I only see with Caribbean people. No, it's not only Caribbean people. I go Ghana, go see people do it too. But so I not fight again. See one next freak. Oh no. I think I did somebody. So I not knock other people, you know, I just say when me see. You know, say you have some people when them leave them house. So them go for 2 days or a week or whatever. They have to do one big level cleaning of the house before them leave.
Of course, house supposed to clean.
As a Caribbean people stay, you know. And when you ask them say, listen to me, there is nothing more depressing and awful and thing when you come back at your house and the house not clean. Now, them say them not like that's something there. It broke their spirit. Them love to come back to a nice, clean place and whatever. So that's the number one explanation. But the other explanation is This is coming from Miss Cherry and Fear friend them. Yeah, my mother said, when you leave your place, you must clean it so that the
You never know if you could fall in the road.
No, because so that the right angels them come in
Oh,
and
that's
guard your place and guard your place and watch your place. So, my mother
don't be
said,
coming at the place.
yeah, my mother said, any
Clean
your
up the
place
place.
not clean. Like the dopey them and the crosses, they will come and chew your place not clean, like Gabriel and the angel, they're not going to protect your place or whatever, right? Then say you have to clean your place to welcome in good spirit. You never hear what time
Yeah,
people talk.
yes,
So,
your house have to clean so you
Yeah.
get good spirit. When house clutter, me can stand it. Can't stand the clutter. Can't stand
See
the clutter,
that?
sir.
See
Me don't
that?
even like shoes in front of my door. If it's in front of the door, it's supposed to be on a nice stand. Ting. Everything had to nice and well put away.
Last question before you go. Well, before me ask the last question, you have any kissing mix-up?
No, me not kissing Mr. because me don't swap spit raga.
But kissing on a swap spit alone.
Yeah, me can take it.
You don't like French kiss?
No.
Oh, for real?
No, me don't kiss the people. Kiss me on my face, kiss me on my forehead, kiss me on my lips. Don't come and shove your tongue inside me mouth. Oh.
So when you do, you know do them kiss there?
No, don't kiss me. Kiss me where I'm supposed to get kissed. Don't come and kiss me.
Oh, so if you kiss you on your pokey, but not kiss you on your mouth?
Of course, kiss. And when you kiss me pokey, don't come back and kiss me.
Why some woman have a problem with the phone of pokey? If the man did a kiss you pokey and then come back and a kiss you, what wrong with that?
A lot of things wrong with that.
But I hear doctor talk it all the while, so woman for taste themselves, for check and taste themselves. You not do that?
Of course, but I don't want nobody else come and take it from. I don't want my man take it from me and come and put it on me.
No, but if your man you know, say some woman I have read, they love that.
I just can't handle the kissing thing. I could test myself if I want to. I can't handle the kissing thing.
Why you not like French kiss? Me not understand. French kiss
It's just too
man.
wetty, raga. Wetty.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
Yeah, saying I like it when it wetty,
No.
You don't like it when it
One
plaka.
place was wetty.
Well, you
I like it wetty, but not with the French kiss, raga.
Not with the French kiss, though.
No.
Well, them use plaka grenada.
Yeah, plaka.
Them use plaka grenada.
Yes. Plaka, man.
Yeah, plaka. You don't like it when the plaka, though.
No.
Yeah.
Plaka.
You know, nice when the plaka like a wet
I don't care
scandal
what you
bag.
say. I don't
A
depend on
wet
the
scandal
mouth.
bag. Yeah, when the
No, me
plaka
not
like
like
a
it. No.
wet scandal bag. You know, good when the plaka.
Kiss me on my face, you kiss me on my lips. Don't shove your tongue up inside me mouth and try to pull out my tongue.
Nah, man, when you
no,
in a good like heights of pleasure, man, and think, hey, yesterday when you hear me tell you say, when you hear me saying, you can find out more about a person, from how them kiss, than from the sex with them give, Always, Yes, man. Me swear by that. You can tell way more about a person. You can tell how a person feel about you. You can tell a lot about a person's personality based on how them kiss. Me I tell you that. I have never kissed a woman and her kiss not consistent with her personality.
Okay.
Every woman I kiss or whatever, them kiss consistent with them personality. I think kisses are like one of the most honest expressions of a human being. I like kisses tell the truth about somebody.
Really?
Yes, man. Yes,
for me, I just don't like the kissing thing. That French kiss. I just don't like it. Give me a kiss on my forehead, on my cheeks. You could kiss my lips. But that French kiss, no, it's not for me.
But you're out tired. One man kiss your front, but you know want to kiss them and kiss your mouth. Brighty.
But that is the best kiss ever.
Yeah, that you love though.
Yeah. Oh, you mean lips soft and nice and all these good things, so you could kiss. Yeah.
Yeah. You Yeah, you know, and a man push them tongue in him up, but you want pokey smooching.
Of course. Pokey snitching have to take place, Raga.
Yeah, pokey smooching. Yeah,
So you're going down in the greens.
King Anthony said, you're not romantic.
But King Anthony will go
See
sit
him in
down.
that chat there, in that chat, him say, you're not romantic. King
So
Anthony.
Anthony, so because I'm not kissing people, I'm not romantic. You have other ways of
A man
of
say
being
you're not
romantic than
romantic. A man say
kissing.
you're not romantic. You're not nothing about you.
I don't care. I don't want nothing about me. I just say French kissing.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
I mean, you have to please nobody but me, you know.
Yeah.
Hello.
No, you have to please a man too. Don't bright up yourself. Don't bright up yourself.
These days I don't take in man.
No, man, kissing is fun. Kissing is fun.
Kissing,
What?
that was what I think when you was younger. But after when you grow up a little older now, you just find the kissing thing just overrated. And it's just not for me. It's just not for me.
But Kavi said, yesterday Kavi said, she can reach a point with a man where she want to run upon him, but she don't want the mushy things. So I just back as him get no kissing.
No, well, I don't know about that part, but the no kissing thing, the kissing thing is just not for me. Like, oh gosh, it's just not for me.
Is it that you're afraid of that? Because I find that kissing can be more intimate than sex itself, you know. Sex can be intimate, you know, but you know, say you can't just run sex and you just basically a sell out something.
Find the kiss. Listen, my stomach ain't strong. Like, I easy to
stomach.
Listen to me.
Oh, you're just not eating that spit something there. You're just not eating that saliva something there.
Yeah, the saliva thing is not for me. It's not for me.
Okay.
Listen to me, a sensitive body. This thing I ready to vomit. You know what
Me see what you're there.
So that kissing thing is not for me. It's not like I don't like the person or whatever, but the saliva thing is just easy to, you know.
And you know, it's a mental thing, you know. It's a mental thing, you know, because, you know, say along the same lines, you have people who are kiss somebody, you know, and exchange tons of water, you know. Tons of water, you know. Well, I know, and if after them done kiss, the same person that go spit like just a little bit of water, them find it disgusting and them stomach sick. The same water with them just are taking enough and thing and whatever and walla up in the water was thing, you know. But if the same person move them out from them and go, so this guy here spit.
I'm telling you, like if I see spit on the ground, like you know, you're walking and I see people see spit on the ground. It just upset my stomach.
Yeah,
like,
with a phlegm something. That phlegm, I can't
handle it. So that's why I say I don't do the French kissing thing. It's not for me. I don't know.
So when you start to look at Jesus and peace. So you never like a man yet and just really into him. You know, you must have done looking at me eyes sort out, right?
Of course.
You know them deep sort out the way you're looking at the person, particularly when you're younger and love strong. Do you know that's something when you're looking at a person, you're wind up in them and you look. Them time that you have a kiss, you never get that something there yet because
it's like go and continue whining. Don't come and push your tongue inside me.
No, man, no. Them looking at your eyes. Hershey Pie, don't give no instruction about change topic. We know say probably discuss it with some of the thing them we are said, but we don't tolerate that over here. We don't take people. Nobody tell Raga what to do. Mm-hmm. No, so when I say, you know, when I talk about though, that deep romantic, so when you not kill up yourself with backers and lizard, but you just did it and the love a bubble up and you're looking at a person's face and then when you put on the kiss for her, you wind it on the and the two tongue them start sword fight and them do them wiggly and them sit and it just not, you never do that something yet.
But not the kissing.
Yeah, no.
Raga. It's just not my thing, okay? It's just not my thing.
Okay.
Handle it.
If I say you there, I say you there. If I say you there, I say you there.
When you come by, I'll be no kissing. When you come by.
When what?
When I kiss. You heard what I said, don't pretend.
When what?
Anyways, let's change. Not you, I said you've been drinking. I said you've been drinking the juice for a very long time and you just a sip.
No, you just say when me come by, no kissing.
No,
that you just say.
But since you you hear what you asked me
Brighty.
for?
You
Since you
think
hear
you're
what you
easy.
asked me for?
When you say if me hear when me ask.
Since you hear. Since you hear what you asked me
I
for.
Mixup and Blenda
Oh,
time.
what? You heard?
Yeah, all right, mommy, me here.
You know how long you just sip that drink? You're really trying to keep the dead alive. Go on.
No man, duly noted. All right, duly noted. At least we
Are you
know.
ready for the greens though?
Yeah, communication is key. Yeah.
Yeah.
No man, ready for
You ready for
Grenada, man. Yo, listen. Some people don't like them first time. Me like my first time, then the first time is
First
good.
time is the best.
Yeah.
Hey, because you need to sit down behind the Anglican church in Tongue in Grenada. When you go in Tongue,
What that?
just
Oh, that go what? What?
the virginity sit down behind the Anglican church.
Your virginity is still behind the Anglican church, right? In town, no. All right. Well, some people she's referring to because I'm going to Grenada to host a wedding next month, and it would be my first time in Grenada. So may I tell you, I'm gonna do one video. I'm gonna go back at the Anglican church and look for your virginity, but I swear to God, I'm going to do it.
Yeah, actually, the Anglican, according to where you live in, but you have to, the Anglican church is right in town itself on Church Street. So
On Church Street,
right
the Anglican
overlooking the harbor.
The Anglican church on Church Street, overlooking the harbor. May I go around there, go look for your virginity to see if it's still there.
Right.
All right, let's say a word.
That's right where you sit on. Hope you find it.
Well, I'll know God must remember when you do that. I'm saying, look for me picnic in church. I guess I should go and do that. The sun in your body, you know.
Yeah.
All right.
No, my boyfriend he come from Cuba, man. He was studying in Cuba, and then time we 19 and we didn't do nothing. So carnival time, ting, and we just decide, you go
And you do a bend over behind God's house.
by the bougainvillea tree. Hey,
By the bougainvillea.
I don't know. I don't know how the prick at the bougainvillea don't prick me up.
All right.
Jesus.
No, me go look for it. Me go see if it's still there, you know. All
No,
right,
we cut down the millie bug, maybe eat out the bougainvillea by now.
All right, now say a word, Sonia. Big up yourself here.
We link.
Yeah,
Right,
man.
take care.
Yeah, me see
Good night,
somebody
guys.
come. Yeah, somebody come and chat about check my private or the moderator and catch you already, man. And how them I take set for my life. So, Sonia. How them I take set for my life. So tonight, the freaky people them I put in and sitting. Probably bots anyway. Kiss Mixup or any other Mixup one have. Kiss Mixup or any other Mixup one have. Kiss Mixup or any other Mixup one. Going down the line.
Guys, Raga, never mind. Bye.
What? Wait. Hold on.
I wanted to speak to Sonia.
Oh, you wanted to speak to Sonia?
Yeah.
Oh, but me see me can bring her. What you want to talk to her about?
Because I want to ask her why she don't like when the kissing go.
Why she not like when what?
The kissing.
Oh, okay. Well, me not see her.
Dog bite, move your ass.
All right. So, what I want to know though, are you recuperated from crisscross party? Are you okay now?
I am perfectly fine, Raga.
Okay, that's good. I was just checking in on you, because I was
man, may appreciate it, yeah?
Yes, I was a little bit concerned because, you alone was there from the ANC.
And I was perfectly fine.
Yeah, and
my sisters were right there next to me.
So many SDC were there, whatever, and we saw the fear in your eyes and we see you tremble and all these things. So I was a little bit concerned about you. But,
so, I have a question for you, Raga.
Yeah, be careful now. Go on. That would be what? What's the question? Yeah.
Raga.
Yeah.
How come you're so hot for the ANC then, right? But one of the SDC in the red boot where she looked like she could have walked in it and it was flat. So I don't understand why she was unable to walk in it.
No. I don't know.
And she came over upon the floor.
No, she never came over upon the floor or whatever. That's
happened?
just like bad mind premonition that come out of you right now or whatever.
Oh, really?
She did a
Thank
work.
you, sis.
No, she did a work the shoes.
She dropping at the flat shoes.
No.
She dropping at the flat shoes.
You attack the red boots. Are the red boots me attacking?
Yes, she dropping at the flat shoes.
No,
flat
she
boots,
never
whatever
dropping
you call
it.
it.
Lie at them.
Because she dropped and her foot open up wide.
I can't believe you tell lie for Navlet. A lie you tell for Navlet. Navlet did work them boots that night.
Mr. Raga,
She did have a
as
little
soon as I
subtle.
pick up my phone for video
she'd
it,
have
she
a
get
little
up.
subtle swing. She'd have a little subtle swing in her thing and whatever.
Raga, she get up fast on the brook knee, you know.
Me never see, well, me never. The only time me know Navlet came over is when she did a follow the young girl them and go do the straight foot backers, right?
I know, say her knee no good.
I know her knee no good, and then she did pop her ass when she had do that. I send her backers, I stand up and I get straight foot, and you know, so you have to strong for that. At best, if you're not strong enough, bend your right knee and take your body. Right, bend your knee. But I stand them young people when them do them thing and them foot straight and them can hold it and thing. And I'll go down and touch them toe and then sitting there and whatever. At that time, Navlet go do it and whatever, and she nearly mash up herself. That's the only time I know Navlet.
Not nearly, she did.
You see Navlet dropping at a party?
Yeah. Put them open up wide like an umbrella.
Well, it was one of them.
Yes.
One of them hallelujah drop them. Hallelujah. One of them hallelujah drop them.
She was praising the Lord. Like,
you know that drop there, that skin over drop there where the foot them just go so roof. Yeah. Me never see that though, so I lie you tell
you never see it, but you laugh.
Nah,
you see
but
you?
I lie you tell pan Navlet.
You see you?
Tell pan the what?
You see?
See me.
You see you?
See me. See me. Yeah. See me. Yeah. See me. That me
Sisters, when you should have still Raga do not need dance. Raga too near not to.
You can't say what you want to say. I'll me rate you up in the party and whatever, you know, because people don't know how to borrow clothes and the dress the way you wear come at the party where you borrow it. Sit down, payam. Me not lie.
Well, thank you.
I just want to compliment the people who know how to borrow clothes because some people just see fashion and be, now wear after that now whatever, and they borrow clothes don't fit you, right? So and the dress where you borrow, the red and black dress there, whatever, me don't know, oh, you borrow good, you know something.
And you know, so me not give it back, may I keep it.
Don't give it back, cause that are you, me I tell you, me rate you with that.
Thanks.
You know for borrow clothes and thing. And people see in a party, you know, and she alone from the ANC, that she alone, you know. I want me tell you, say the party full of SDC people, you know. SDC people are buy big liquor and beer things and table and go in the middle of the floor and beer things, you know. You understand?
Raga, because they wanted to be seen. We were good.
Let me talk. Yeah, Miss Cherry son, let me talk. And yeah, and she in one corner, she
talk like a nice juju mouth.
because you see how she body, you know. People, you see, that me telling them at the party, you know. Bad girl, you know, on the internet, you know. Bad girl. And people, when she did at the party and she alone did and alone SDC take over the floor. I go over to her and she like, hi, Raga, you need something. Can I get you something? Can I get you something or whatever? Humble, me say humble like she in an embassy line in Jamaica, go for her visa and thing and whatever. Nobody never more humble than her and thing. And she staying at the corner and the only time she walk out of that corner, because the bathroom did up on the other side and piss come down on her and you can't see she do the piss walker. Everybody know the piss walk, you know, you like, you know, the piss walker, piss come down on you. So she hold the piss, she couldn't hold it no more. And the only time she crossed the floor because girl intimidating and afraid of the SDC. We run the place and thing like that. But now you see, they know you call in. You're bad girl again, done.
One phone call me didn't even make another party, you know. Everybody dropped down like Navlet, you know.
No, you're on the internet.
One
now
phone
with
call
gun
and everyone would have been on the floor like
internet
Navlet.
now with gun mode. What make you never say on a motor want to talk, but why when I come over there?
Me say it, you never hear.
When me walk on, why you never say run up and come get that up?
Because you came and gave me a hug.
What you say because what?
You came over and gave me a hug. you never come with no wall.
Nah, because me sorry for you, you know, because I see you over there just squinch up in the thing and just a
Raga walked over to me like, we want peace, no problem.
Nah, me just take me when I tell me things say that come down with that terrible flu, you know, you're trembling, you know.
It was cold inside.
Nah. Well, probably it was cold in your inside.
Raga, have a good night.
Yes, all right.
I'm going to cook.
I'm not going there. I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna leave it alone. All right then. I'm gonna leave it alone. All right
Bye,
then. Cool.
sisters. Bye, everyone.
This girl I go and just come on this thing and I thought about she go cook, which is equivalent to, like she go commit suicide. Like, seriously? No, you can't cook. I be a trouble when I come up in the night. Yeah.
Hi, Raga.
What you? Hi.
Hi.
Well, dog bite, big up yourself, my general. Yeah.
Hold on, I'm trying to plug you my phone before he did.
What you?
Hold on.
Well, but no, when you plug in your phone, but remember, say when you plug in your phone,
Yeah, plug in.
but you still get the Wi-Fi on your phone.
What Wi-Fi?
Remember, we found out that you use your neighbor Wi-Fi, but to you plug in your phone in your house, I say you know go there the part where you need to go for pick up your neighbor Wi-Fi good. So, how many bars there on your phone right now?
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, okay, that's good. So yeah, pick up.
Me have one of the fastest Wi-Fi
So
in Canada.
No, so look, so your neighbor them upgrade them Wi-Fi. Lucky you, look at you. All right, what's up?
I'm good. You finish your fruit juice. Fish it up yourself. That's good.
It's prune.
Yeah, fish it up yourself.
No, come on, get with modern times right now. I'm saying when the body has adapted, to a constant source of something, after a while it's nothing. So just consider that my insides are cleansed, right? Like inside of me clean. If you come inside of me right now, your life would have better off. You understand what I say? The upgrade.
But I'm gonna make a comment, but I know sub live this. I always forget that.
Yeah, no more.
Can't make the comment there.
A sub live I come up, man. Everything is everything, man. A sub live I come
You know how
up.
long you owe me a sub live?
Say what?
You know, like in a company no sub live?
No, but you say me
I
owe
thought
you.
you do on Fridays, Raga.
No, but you say me owe you.
Yes, you owe me. Yes.
Now, man, I come with something big. Me I work on something big, man. I'm thinking about it. So I go set up a thing where sub live just do at a certain spot. Now worry yourself, man. I said one of their firing, when I waste for time of firing, Okay. Right? When me just come a firing, you know what I mean? So clean toilet at one place named Camp Joel in a place named Colebrook, Connecticut. And a clean beer shit out of people in toilet there and just a clean toilet. So and then the other thing I have to do, them tell me say them need curtains in the cabins. And I have to make curtain. Yeah.
So a curtain by hand?
Yeah, you know, say when me did I do it at the time, you're young and whatever. And when me did I do it, you that thing say me only tell people say me a clean toilet, But strangely enough, when me come up and I do it, at that time, first thing me tell him, and I tell him, say me did I make curtain. And him telling me, you're young and whatever, you youngster that make curtain, you're mad man, we clean toilet. But no, so we older now, we not care. But yeah, man, I have to do when I come up the second time I come to America and they Camp Joel, man.
After summer we come up here, come out Paradise and have to do.
And yeah, and go through it now.
Till you get where you want.
And then me used to work. Yeah, my girl said the term, under the table. Dog bite, please to kiss my ass. You know somebody ever come in and frig so you cuss them before them start. Yeah, all right.
Left dog bite alone.
Yeah.
Dog bite give me compliment, left him alone.
And you come, what you? Me used to work on one Christmas tree farm, right? I so and when it cool and whatever, I just come and find and thing, I buy clothes and Salvation Army, second hand clothes. Yeah, I work on the Christmas tree farm. We go through it, Yeah, man. Enough people go through it too and then come to and whatever. When you did come, what kind of hardship you go through?
Why? My finger and my toe them burn off. I ball some eye water.
Oh,
nice
God.
snow. Yo, me still have a picture. Me take one picture in the snow. The longest donkey face you could find. Me still have that picture there. Nah, man, ball, man.
Where did I do it? Did I work somewhere? Where that do it?
Where I was living, bus never did a run. So you have to walk way up yonder. You go catch the bus up there, so. And then when evening time come, you have to walk all the way back in a -30. Yo.
Oh God.
I feel some pain. And then now, worst thing, they not tell you, say, when you finger them and you toe them a burn off stuff, don't run them in no hot water.
Oh yeah.
Nobody never tell me that. Oh God.
And it
You can
burn
still
you
feel the
because it
pain
burn
right now.
different. Yeah, it burn different, you know.
It worse. It worse. No, sir.
When me did at Camp Joel, and after I summer, me did at work, you know, them have one program named Upward Bound and some other thing was coming, so I work with them programming. But you don't know, say, boy, now waste time, you know, so boy, to go tell the people, them say, him want go school. So them have one community college, but the community college there in the town when him Winstead. Cause Colebrook over there, you know, in our country, like, you know. So several miles ago, you know. But nobody, you know, me live in a one cabin and beer come up near the cabin at night time and whatever. I lock the door and look up on them and they're sitting there afraid they're free. So you know, it's a couple times I not get no ride or come try if I arrange it before and thing. And I just decide to me I leave early. Cause I go school down at Winstead, you know. And me have to pass one yard. And up there so now, nobody not really have fence, you know. They pay everybody yard, just the house. You know them place there, America. And you have one yard, people park past the yard. Nobody not really walk on the road, you know, but you know, people walk and them take them walk and one of them. And me, the first time I walk, I go down, you know. And people are walk past the yard, you know, what I see people are walk past the yard and the dog in the yard and the dog. Now, no problem with the people who walk past the yard, of course, all of them white, you know. Man and woman and picnic and them walk past the yard and whatever. And as me reach the yard, you know, the dog takes it from me, you know, whatever, you know, because the dog never seen a black person yet, you know.
Dog never like you.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
I'm here.
I don't know, say that dog take a set for me and hear the irony. You know, say I want full black dog. But you know, that dog don't know in color. The dog don't know in color. The dog don't know in color. All the dog know him and see this black.
One of your apps has something to say to you.
Sorry.
What was it? What was it?
That's a notification. Like my phone talks to me, so like certain notifications, certain sound the phone make. Let me know if you answer it right away or not.
Oh, so you set your ringtone them depending on who's.
Yeah.
Okay, so you know that was so that one there from.
Apps has something to say to you.
I miss a man that do.
No, that's just a notification. One of your apps has something to say to you.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
No. There's no Mr. Man.
You know, man.
No.
And so yeah, manager and thing right you know. When you Isla ride.
Rose.
Oh, you have a rose and thing. Which one you have? Which one are rose? Yeah, because you know you have different one. Which
you have the one with the stem.
The one with the stem. But that the other one that wine to the.
Yeah, make like a movement, yeah.
Yeah, make like a movement and thing and whatever this and that. But when you use the road, it not go in, it just stay outside on top up the sudden.
The bottom part of the stem can go in.
But you do the go in? Eh?
Yeah.
But
hold on.
That look a wretch put me on mute, you know, man. I mean, I listen for the background sound, you know, man. You know, I said they look a crass, is it? Yeah, but you mute.
The offspring them can't hear.
Well, you mute me for a while ago.
Because the offspring coming out of the room.
Offspring, eh? And you know, I said, me here, they not me cock me ears and listening, but me just hear dead silence. I say, you know, say that look a wretch mute me a while ago. And thing, all right. Anyway, Everything will go down differently.
Nothing. Just that warm.
Just the one.
Have a short day today, so in a bed
Okay.
under my heated blanket because outside is cold.
Oh, your blanket heating right now?
Yeah.
Okay. You have to be careful with it. Don't use it too much, yeah?
Normally shut off itself when it's ready.
Oh, yeah.
And then
those
let
are
me
good.
in night a freeze.
Yeah, no, don't know. When it shut off, you have to be careful with them heated blanket. They, them can cause all kind of problem. Anyway, big up yourself, and think. Just
Yeah,
one
man.
curious thing. I don't mean to be rude, but I'm just asking, okay? I don't mean to be rude.
If you're rude, you can go on, Raga.
I know, I'm
Go
just
ahead.
asking. What color underwear you have, man?
I don't remember. Hold on. Oh, it's a green one.
It's a green, dark green or light green?
One of your apps has something to say to you.
No mind that. Like a army looking.
Yo, that not get annoying when your phone keep on say that.
No.
Okay. so it says army green you have on?
Yeah.
Lace or cotton?
Cotton.
Tongue, boy shorts,
Turn
cut
on
cross
your
your body
camera.
jar or full cover?
Cookie
Eh?
Man stress. I'll turn on my camera for you.
No, well I know. Tongue, cut cross your body jar or fully covered?
It's more like a boy short.
Boy short. Okay, just curious.
Cookie.
All right, okay. Big up yourself.
Cookie, come into my office. I'll turn on my camera in my office.
Sure. Jesus. She a problem in a Cookie Man. She's a straight problem, All right, big up yourself, boo boo. No say a word here.
Yeah, man. Bye,
All right,
TamFam.
One TamFam. Yeah, with your pop down Canada sort out and thing, but you don't know.
Please. You say, hold on the Raga before you cut me off. You
what?
say, short little woman.
Them bad man, short woman, them bad. Every short woman me sort out with them.
But Raga, I'm tell you something bad. And me have 5 feet. So,
you have 5 feet?
Yes.
So we say you sort out turn up though, that go for you, don't?
Turn up, turn over, all both.
Well, you
have a love dog bite,
no, bed. You think say your sort out, for example, is better than double act Tracy one? Just go with your gut and tell it true.
Probably the same.
Probably the same. Okay, that's commendable. So that means if you are one with a good then to don't?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
May I prove,
No, but I'm just saying.
But that is for another
If
life.
you ever want to improve your game and make your thing better, link with an American, who will teach you or whatever, like all in New York. As in a person who will teach you the thing and make you get better at your game. You understand what I'm saying? All right? Okay. All right, boo boo.
Bye.
Yeah, man. Blessings, man. Cool. This thing here. Oh, here we go. Here we go. One bragger boat we cross the border go Canada. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, yeah, hello.
Hi, are you hearing me?
I'm hearing you, yeah.
Okay, sorry for the noise because I'm at work. Actually, I like your program. It's my first time on it.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. And the good thing about it, with so much things going on with the relationship, at least you let the females, feeling good, feel like a man checks for them, you
Oh, me?
asking and see. Yeah.
Me?
Yeah. Yeah,
So
because
what? Go on.
when you ask a female what you're wearing and those stuff, it's what a woman would want to hear from a man, you know. And there's so much confusion going on now these days with relationships. Most females are like, I'm gonna stay by myself because it gives me peace. So many of us work hard for what we have,
Right.
to take up from men. You try to understand them, and I believe that men are not doing it. Not that women are miserable; they're conflicting. We were made a specific way, and that is by God that we will react a certain way. When a man treats a woman good, he's gonna get back a good reaction. Honestly, you know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, oh yes, definitely. And so many women right now, it's like, hey, we don't need this. But anyway, with the whole kissing part that you were talking about, um, you know, not many person will want to kiss sometimes because sometimes some persons they don't do good oral hygiene, and sometimes it's not everybody you can kiss. But one thing I know for sure, it's very romantic. You know.
Right. It can be, right.
Yeah. So, and as you said rightfully, a woman kiss you tells a lot. You know, that
You
it
feel
tells
so.
a
You
lot.
feel so too. You feel so too.
Oh
You
yeah,
can, yes.
yeah, definitely, definitely. So, and the next thing I want to touch on was the bathing part. I was with someone and they taught me something that I can go in life with an ex partner. And it's true. It's when you have a bath, a nice clean shower. Honestly, it makes the sexual impact more romantic than just a boom bam. Oh
Oh,
yes.
really.
Oh yes. And I learned that in my 30s from the person that I was with, and no matter what, it was like, let us go and bathe or whatever. And I found out that it really worked out for true. But we know so some man like them folk touch still, you know?
Yeah, one of them in the chatting, one of them in the chatting a dog bite. Him like when the chun chun touch him, same like it for touch, you know.
Yeah. You
Yeah.
remember when we used to grow up and then put the pork on the crang, and sometimes the pork touch, you know. But me I tell you say when you smell the pork and cook it smell say touch, but when you eat the pork then with also ackee fry up the touch pork then
No, but you see, you just say something when we know you're in my age group, you know. You say the
yeah,
poor pan a crank, so you know, say
yeah,
you're not, yeah. Cause them young as you don't know nothing about crank, you know. The munchy, them and all them people, and not even Natasha know about crank. And thing I said, but that's something, the man, when you can up a pork and it upon the crank, and, you know, things
yeah,
set in night and thing and whatever.
yeah,
Yeah, fry up ackee with look like saltfish and that, which is one of the traditional Jamaican dish to do
oh
with pork.
yes,
Pork, ackee, and
yes,
saltfish, man. I'm mad something up, man. Yeah, man. Seeing, indeed. But you're up on
yeah.
the work. You're up on the work.
Oh yes. But the thing
Oh,
about it still, having a bath, it makes a difference. It does.
it
And
make a difference. Yeah,
oh
okay.
yes, especially when you're reaching your senior years, you want that more extended, longer, exotic moment. And I like when you're young, you go boom, boom, and gone. It's a choice just a little sex. You want it to be more memorable now because you're in a middle age, you know about life. You want to have a memory. Even if you don't have a husband, you know, so later on when you're in the nursing home and your teeth are drop out and you laugh, you remember when you did.
Okay. All right. So when
So
when people get older, they more want to be, you know, at that time the love making become meaningful. That time they want to look longer, more than the look stabbing cabbing and the rambam tank your mama and thing, right? That you say, right?
oh yeah, oh yes.
Okay.
While growing up, I heard that when I was in my 20s, I heard that sex was more exotic as you get older. And I was like, really? And I come to realize that it's real because the orgasm we get is more. You want to do it more as you get older. It's just that time has changed and men are not what they used to be. More romantic. You realize a man we have 5, 6 baby mother, and you know, hear them quarrel. Everybody live good in the 70s, 60s. When a man about 5 baby mother, you know, hear that one there. That's all because the key was that the man know how to treat his partners compared to men now. That is what is missing from men. So if you have 5 women, it's how you treat these 5 women with respect. is what you're gonna get back. You're not gonna get no headache.
So yeah, so well on. So even the girl is them back in the day, them treat woman way better than even man a treat him one woman now. That yes.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Because if you realize a man back in the days that has 5 kids, you realize that the kids them grow up and be better sibling having separate mothers. They have better relationship than the children now. Because a guy will go there and say, you know, my brother that's, you know, but I'm a different mother, you know. And you see that love because where it started from is from the father. That's where it starts from. The man is who makes society and the woman automatically follows. I'm telling you. And a lot of women...
Where you say a man makes society and woman automatically follow?
Yes. Yes.
You know, you might have quite a few women who are going to be disagree with you with that. You know?
Yes, women will disagree with me because we're living in a time where we see more as women, we are more educated, we're more financially stable, but there are certain things in us that are automatical that will happen as a woman that is building in us spiritually.
All right.
Yes.
All right. But listen, respect for them input there and thing and whatever, you know, some of them.
No, I want to say something quick. No, I want to say something quickly, if you don't mind. Okay. So recently, I started dating this guy, and of course, my tell Raga, the guy look nice, you know, man. He look good, and some different nation. Just tell us a boy look good, Raga come like the big body man them. You can't take the puny body man them, cause you want when me lay down and me done, me feel like me lay down for that teddy bear, so me can't deal with the maga man them. Yeah. But when anything I go on appear flesh, me feel like you know a bounce for me.
You want like feel a strength upon you and things.
Yeah, man, I want feel like a Tarzan come down and just one arm for me. Cause I'm slim, you know.
You're slim, okay.
Yeah, man. But you know, I say, alright, me see the guy and I like the guy, so I say, you know, I'm not telling him because I have the old school, but apparently the guy like me. So I'm start make a move for me, you know. So you know, so even before he make the move, you know, me I tell us my body just a call for the guy because oh, he look and rare. So anyway,
right.
It happened that it work out on him figure and sense my energy, you know. Because you know, a man them tends to can pick up certain things even when you not give them a say or whatever you like them. Mr. Raga after now. So the man invite me to now. I say, alright, me I go. I question it because guess what, I don't really want to go with nobody. And you know, serial killer and everything. Alright, me take the chance on it. It's alright, me
Well on. Something I met nice in iPhone. Something I go boom in iPhone.
I'm so sorry. Yes, but can you hear me now?
No, right here you would just say you're the boom too, you know.
I'm sorry, it's through my work. So apparently no, we get in and start to talk, you know, and start to kick me up and me I tell you, Sir Raga, me I go tell you the truth. And the most passionate me ever get in my life when me tell you the man hold me by my neck, by my head back and him hold me passionately and kiss me right now. Me I tell you, me feel it up to now. And me I tell you, Sir Raga, no, it happened that things get in and we start to go on with the thing and whatever, Raga. When I'm ready to put it, so I'm ready to put it on now, Raga. The big old thick man have nothing, not even a little finger. Alright?
About how small it is,
It's tiny man, it come like pigtail.
It come like pigtail?
Yeah, man.
Well on, like that little thin curly something there?
Yes, Raga.
Yes, Raga. Him have a pigtail body?
Yes, Raga, me not lie to you. But knowing me now.
Hold on. Yes. The pigtail, I just want a little tiny something.
Raga, me not exaggerate one pigtail.
I have a pigtail, tealy. A tealy him have done. One little tealy done.
Mr. One, little something man says a man want hot, you know. Alright, Mr. Alright, more the female that I am. Me not discriminate, you know, because me always say, you know. And where man having a the woman can work with the car, where you can't go down and can't go round pan.
Right? What you say? What? Wait, but no, that's the way you say. And
yeah.
I know where you can go down, pan. Where you
Pan,
can
and
go
we can
round.
go round pan, and
Suburb.
you. Yeah, man, and you as a woman have to know to work a man and work with him, son, and wear him up.
Yeah.
So I say, all right, me not
Yeah.
discriminate. I mean, I tell her, rather, wear one nice little sexy bra and pantyhose, so come here, especially me no man, and me a Sarah, me a build the vibe. I mean, say,
Yeah.
all right, even though me, you know, early parties, you know, when you can't do certain things, certain more. Me say, all right, I go dash out. So, all right. Me say, all right, me go down pan it in a rag, me I tell say, me stoop pan it and dash out pan it to make him feel like a man,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Him feel like a man. No, one at a time when me are going up. One at a time,
So
so
you're the pan tap and you boom it off
yes,
now.
yes, raga, even though
Oh
I
no,
big tail, man.
You're not boom it up. To take back that. You basically have to stay down there and wine pan it. Because, you know.
All
Okay.
right. So when I tell when pigtail I get ready to go dead no in a raga, me sense say pigtail I go down in a raga. I
Yeah.
want that me say, but biting on it, titty on it, get up back like a Lazarus.
You
I'ma
bite
say,
it, you
yeah.
bite it on him titty on him nipple though.
Yeah, man. I'ma say, yeah. I say, yeah, and so get up back and you know me do it thing one time. I say, all right. You know, him said, me have to stop. I'm tired, and he's tired. No, and me I said, Jesus God, I wonder if me ever make the man I catch a heart attack in here, because me I tell him I breathe hard and he heart and breathe fast, you know. And me I tell him, all right, we'll go on. Anyway, things happen, and get him come, because let me tell you, a woman must understand this. Make your man get him come, no matter what.
Yeah,
Make him feel like
make
a
him pop
king.
off. Make him pop off.
Make him, yeah, man. If him make him papa.
Okay.
All right, man. In papa, we'll go back a second round and tell you a long time you know do nothing. We do it again. All right, that part. The worst part I know, Raga. So me not hear from the man. Him not call me now, whatever. Me start feel bad. Me I wonder if me overwork the man that him say him can't manage me. So I feel shame and pigtail and whatever. So me I ask myself all sort of question and whatever. Me there me call and I'm girlfriend and me and her talk and me I say, me start worry, you know, call me and say me feel whatever, you know, call me never talk to a man yet, much as a pigtail, like a feel me feel like me this now, you know. Just when me look back in her life, me just say, Raga, me start laugh after myself, you know, me laugh and me laugh everything, me laugh. Me say, look for me, I cry over one pigtail body.
Ooh.
Me say, look for me, I cry over one pigtail body. And pigtail, me make pigtail feel like him a man. No, he feel like, you know, things are one thing now, you know. Come here, tell me really put it on, you know, because it is a mixed race too, you know. Right?
Okay.
So me I tell say, me dash out and make him feel good. So me I wonder if I make him feel like he almost have heart attack or what. Right?
Well, yeah, well, go on. I don't know what to say, you know, but you seem to be of the opinion say so you really put it on him good and him had a good time and whatever. So you don't know why I'm not give you a call back.
With the conversation between us is more few than ever, whatever. So me I say probably me did just go all out too much and try to make him feel limited or limitless. Because you have some men who are like that, you know. They don't want to feel as if they can't manage you. You know,
Well,
so me I wonder if they didn't have too much control.
You know, some honestly, I don't know what to say go on this one thing, you know. I don't know. There's all kind of probabilities could have did it, but I don't know what to say. But no, him not call you back at all, and when you are calling him not return your call or nothing.
Yeah, man, him return it, man. Him return it. But
Yeah.
you don't want to be the one we have to call because guess what? As a woman you have to know your worth. You understand?
No, but I say when you and him talk, what was the exchange like?
The exchange is like it was good. He wants us that time again or whatever. I know that his work is very serious, but me now use that as an excuse. You know, but then again, me I say probably it put on too much and he can't manage. Because
That's a
had that
possibility,
encounter.
but hold on, it can be a whole heap of other reasons, you know.
Yeah.
There are all
But-
kind of possibilities. There's a whole bunch of things there, but the one but you bring up, it's possible.
Yeah.
You know.
But me say, Raga, me say every minute him pigtail feel like it's a feel, me just make him feel like a king.
But hold on, I find it interesting that you seem to derive great joy, you know, and a sense of accomplishment. If I said this man with him lickety, anytime you seem to be saying that there are several times when it like the tealy go dead and him now go whatever, and you have to do something for bring it up back. And that you say, right?
Of course, yeah. Yeah.
But I find it interesting that you repeated that because, you know, indicating that it's quite significant and you feel like you did something really, really good there, you know. So, but in penis, did I dead sometime?
Yes, Raga, I want to something, you know, to imagine all that I did for you to stuff out like a peanut butter, you know.
When you say it a dead, when it a dead by you, what?
All when it a dead time, try rhetoric, you have to pick my rhetoric back.
But why you think it did a dead when you do it then?
Me not think it's a dead, me know say it's a dead, Raga. Me not friend, you know, me a pro, you know.
Oh, about how old is this man?
He is 48.
48. So you feel you know for a fact say it did a dead and you just know if you bring it up back and you feel good, so you bring it up back and
Definitely, yeah.
Okay.
Because at the end of going in, you know, to relax yourself for the person, you know, you must make the person feel satisfied too, you know. You understand, as a woman.
Right. So but
You know?
so obviously you tell me everything what you do for this man. What him they do for you sexually, like? Cause you never come.
I like I tell Raga,
Eh?
the man make me tremble like a leaf.
I do what?
Well, you know, I
You
don't
know?
stop.
You know what?
Raga, him good.
What? No, you know, upon the show you can't talk. So him headers good. Him give a good headers, right? Him.
Definitely, he did.
Okay,
I have to give him that credit because, trust me, a multiple organism happen when that happens.
Multiple orgasms, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Okay. All right. I mean, to be honest with you, I don't know what would be the reason for him never want to call you back and all and something and thing, you know. But probably you're right, you know. If he feels say it's a dead couple time and thing, you know, you have some man touch about them something there, you know. So
Oh yeah.
you know,
Of
yeah,
course.
so that's probably it, you know. But,
Yeah, because it can bring a low self-esteem, and a lot of women don't know that. Yeah, if they don't know that most of the time when a man, you know, them
Yeah.
feel a low self-esteem in themselves, and you have to make them feel good. It depends on how far you want to go with that.
No, but tell me something. I mean, real quickly, how far you see you go? Because it sounds to me like you're really into this man on a certain level, even beyond sex. Like you really like him.
Yeah, because we have a lot of stuff in common. That's why.
Okay.
But
So
I'm not looking for a great deal out of it anyway.
you're not looking for what?
I'm not really looking too far because I'm not going to set up myself. You understand what I mean?
But if you are you into? Do you love him? Are you into this guy?
No,
You love him?
I want to say love him. No,
No.
love is too early. No.
No.
Yeah.
But do you want a relationship with him? A long-term relationship?
It could be a possibility.
Right.
It could be a possibility.
Okay.
Because what happened? Yeah, go ahead.
Go on. No, go on.
Yeah, because what happens sometimes, you know, as you go further in age, and it's gonna be more like companionship with respect for each other. That's gonna be the last stage of life.
Right. And that now, just having a good companion right now, is that more important than having a nice sized dick?
Yes, it is. Definitely.
Okay.
Definitely.
Okay. So you can see yourself potentially in a relationship with this man and you're happy with him, right? Correct?
Somewhat, because you know, even so things take time.
Right. Okay. But I think that is instructive what you're saying, because what we're hearing is a woman saying that she's at a certain point in her life where a man can have one little pigtail body, but based upon everything else about him and whatever, you sound like you'd be comfortable with this man, in terms of him being good company with respect and so forth and thing, and it would be a joy to make him happy sexually, correct?
Of course, why not?
That's interesting. I mean, yeah, that's
Yes.
interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Very much interesting. All right, man. Anyway, thank you for sharing today and thinking. You work at a hospital?
No, I don't.
Huh?
No, I don't.
Okay, I
I
thought
work at an outlet.
at a what?
Yes. An
What?
outlet. Yeah.
An outlet. Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Now, to me, you're the sound in our background.
Yeah.
All right.
We have
Big
a
up
lot of
yourself.
production going on.
Indeed.
Yeah.
All right. Big up yourself for your blessings
All
and
right,
respect.
Raga. Nice talking to you. You have a good program, okay?
Yes, man. Thank you so much. All right.
Yeah.
Blessings, man.
All right, bye.
Yeah, all right. Yeah, that was really interesting. Right, because it runs against the grain, what is conventional wisdom out there, woman, they must say, if the man have nothing what me I do with him. But here we have a situation where a woman, in great detail, is saying that, she can't see herself with this man who have a pigtail body, really small thing or whatever. And importantly, critically, she talks about the relationship with her directly interacting with this pigtail body. And she have this sense of accomplishment that, she make this man feel good with him pigtail body. And when the body got dead, she do so and so again for make the body rise up and stiffen up back and whatever. And, she not pause in her speech. She just have this flow and whatever. You can hear the emotion in her voice and whatever that she feel good about what she did, and she somehow enjoy this man's company, Again, it goes against what we generally hear, because pretty much everything we hear from women is like, if a man have nobody like that or whatever, it's as I'm saying, Jamaica, every who have them thick a bush, Yeah. Cookie Man says she not raised, not dead. Whatever Cookie Man says, I say when you talk when you're younger. But listen to me now, Cookie. When you get older, you will learn. Here, a lot of women, them have man who them value and them care about the man, love the man and whatever. And them know so the man go through them something there. And them do for help the man. Or if them can't do nothing for help it, them do for make a man feel better about himself. All right? But when you're young, you don't really understand those dynamics yet. You're Cookie Man stress. And then when you're young and bad no ass like you understand, you also not going to understand it and thing. But everybody learn as they get older. Everybody learn. In the meantime, you can see what I go on there, so people may soon cut, because the boss, son, the boat and thing, Hello.
Hey, what going?
Yeah, yeah, I say.
I want to big up yourself, big up to the family.
Seeing.
One long time listener, first time I call in, Well, I'm having really nothing funny still, but I'll be expanded the kissing thing,
Yeah.
In my younger days, I kind of love kiss. Like kiss until, me need this. But me as a boy, I love big woman. I don't like the young girl thing.
Right.
Meet this big woman one time, sexy, nice, When I tell her, say, have body, have shape, looks.
Mm-hmm.
And, I go in upon it and she start giving.
Mm-hmm.
So one night, I go link her and, first time I not really up close and then at the car. And, but I realize she love kiss. So she start come across my side now and, when she reaching at the middle, they saw me reaching at the middle, I start smell something raw. I said, bumbuckler. I said, no, this can't be her mouth. And I go up to her and I get to realize that the mouth raw. And I say, all right, I go stop my breath and try to work with her because I don't want to embarrass her. So, This is when I start kiss the woman, Raga, the woman mouth slime up on top of the raw too, bro. I'm gonna say bumbuckle now.
But the first time you kiss her at this point?
Yeah, me did dip on the case, man, but finally meet up with her now, me and her there in the car.
Yeah.
And she says she like, we are get team, cause I get something tonight, because I realize that she have feel it, the general too, so.
Yeah.
Yo, I tell her, I never bother take none of the catches, bro. I tell her something I have something for do. I tell her something I have to go cut.
So when you say our mouth raw and slimy?
It's raw, it have a raw stench, and then when she put her mouth on feel, it's slimy. Because you look, then me get to find out now, so she have some bad teeth on the back. I say, buckle, Raga. Rough, bro. Rough, but I'm from that, bro. From that kissing thing, brother. It's skeptic, bad.
Oh, it just kind of turn you off and just
skeptic,
like,
bad. So if I deal with that cat, me have to kind of up close with her and kind of feel out that get that like that smell there and more learn about it before. Yeah, man.
You're not running again, man.
No, brother. Like she have a fish farm in her throat, bro.
So when she lean over the scent, lick you before it reach you down.
Cause mama like me, I never did know she like me that much. But when me and her in the presence, when we eat in each other presence in the car,
yeah.
I see she come over to me, so I say, hey, I go back over to her. So when we reach half and half in the middle there, so.
Yeah.
And cause me I tell her like she go in the muka, she shut all her and I come cross,
Yeah, she do that something there like
yeah. I mean I say, I smell it raw. I say, no dog, I can't remove this. But anyway, I say I gotta stop my breath and just work with it.
So you did that stop your breath and thing and push over your mouth?
Yeah, man. I say, I stop my breath and go and bust a kick. Cause I want the pum. I really depend on the kissing thing, but the body is strong and nice. I want that. Yeah. So.
You see it, yeah.
But so woman get the kiss, brother, the mouth slimy too, bro.
What you mean by slimy? I know it gross out some people, but explain the sliminess to me. Like what you feel, like how you know it's slimy. Or you confirm say mouth it's slimy. What is slimy? Yeah.
Brother, it's slimy like when you have cold you cough up the cold, literally.
Jano.
Gross, bro.
Jano, like that look a phlegm something they do.
But me not lie, but she was a nice big woman. Me not disrespect her, me not disrespect the ladies. She was a nice big woman, she cute, she sexy, but Jano.
So and you say the way so she move, it look like she love kiss, don't so you never even think so you never even think go for like for blaze it without the kissing. Nah. I know kiss blaze.
It couldn't happen because it look like a so she get in a fear vibe.
Yeah, she go want kiss.
And then
it would have hard for you to hold your breath so long when you're never juggling.
I make a second attempt and my sister the kissing business again. I run, bro.
Yeah,
I run. But they make a second attempt and my sister the same. My sister she love for kiss.
And the mouth raw, same way.
Nothing not change.
Not change. Raw slime is same way.
Not change, bro. I swear.
Jano, that's cool, I just kill your vibes and thing. I said, Jano, so I don't ever want to kill again, no.
But I realize that people with bad breath, them love talking in your face, them love talk up close to you, or them love kiss. You see people with them mouth. Good, bro, like them mouth fresh and everything. Them normal, bro. But you see the people with them mouth dirty and so and stink and all that shit.
And them love push out them mouth in your face.
If them people that talk to you, bro, you have to, them in your space, bro. I tell you. And them chat non-stop. I tell you. Yeah, dog. Real, man.
Mixup and Blenda.
I just dance still and I don't know much to say,
No, man. I want the connect in the night, man.
I feel good for be a part of the team. I think I'm more afraid for talk more than this still, but feel welcome and I feel appreciated,
Go some man, big up yourself, man. I want my team, man, so we just keep back yes and do a thing. Everything is
every night, me there, man.
But I want to show you a thing, G. I feel that we are still, you know how to tell, story time, how to tell Mixup though, Yeah, man.
Oh yeah, Reggae, I got things we have to talk about.
No, but me I tell you, no, you have some people have some good mix up, but don't know if to tell it, you know.
Yeah, I got things to
Yeah,
talk
and you
about.
just
Yeah, what
know
up?
how to go, so boom, hit the punchline and
Afraid to talk, cause you don't know, cause your program big, you know. So you don't know who the pie. Right now, the big woman, who the pie I listen to, cause you never know.
Yeah. I know people listen to my show and not come in their life too, you know, but
Yes,
at
cause me,
least, you know.
even me myself, cause enough time there, I listen, but you know.
Yeah, cool,
I'm just
man.
there. Yeah,
Nah,
man.
man, you're saying I have one day that is provocative, and you know.
Yeah,
I
I'm
want
respect it.
my people that think about it right, you know. Yeah,
Me know,
man.
man.
Hey, let me show you a thing. You have enough woman right, you know, and I said, bumbo clat. Then when the brother they never call me back, I wonder if my mouth this thing can slime.
Feel like,
Well, I know people had it out up a while ago, you
yeah,
know.
I real man.
I know people had it out up and never wonder, like, me never get no call back.
A true story, bro. I don't know, capping.
Yeah.
A real thing, man. A true story, man.
That's the word, man. Bless up yourself, man.
And big up the lady before. Me like how she deal with the thing, you know. The one with the pigtail guy.
Yeah, with the pigtail.
Yeah, man. Me like how she keep him confidence up, you know.
Yeah, you know, because enough of them women nowadays, you know, them not have no patience with that, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Them not gonna work with that, man.
Yeah, them we just say something and mash up a man meds and things.
See, all Marsha good as done, so me know she not gonna work with that, bro.
No, Marsha good as not work with it.
No, I can't tell. I'm mellow.
She not
work with them,
man.
Jojo Bean, them not work with them, so.
No, them not work with it and thing. Triffy cool, you know.
Angie Melly, them not work with it.
No, well, I know. Triffy not gonna work with it, you know, but Triffy not gonna really mash him up them way there and make him feel bad, you know.
Yeah.
But Trisha gonna take time, take her herself, you know, because Trisha a girl, she have to get her good jokings, you know.
Exactly.
Yeah, you know.
Exactly.
All right, my G, big up yourself.
Big up yourself, man. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody
man.
We are celebrating, you know.
Mad things.
Yeah, man. Big up, man.
Yeah. And the dog said, well, on. Triffy, my friend, why go have a charge it? Big up yourself, you know. Foundation, TamFam, the people that are somebody where come from way back when, you know. All right, you talk about mixupyard.com, you talk about Ragashanti fanwall on Facebook. Hey, them days I did sick, you know. I worry myself, man. I have something I plan for you, see. I work on it, yeah, man. Everything good, man. How are you going, Triffy? How are you going already? I play with me, you know, but I just come in so and then come nice up a thing and then you cut and gone, you know. Listen to me, man. Anyway, there I'm a juggle look a bit more and see what Jojo Beans and thing. Big up yourself, Triffy. Big up yourself. Love and blessings straight. All right. Go down there, son. Go down the line. Where I just love when I just keep back on a reason what do know and thing, you know. Yes, Triffy from New York days. Sonia, you know about Fanwall? Sonia, do you know about Fanwall days? Hello. Yeah.
Wagwan.
There, you know, yeah, say.
Derek, man, but you wagwan, you know. I know nothing big, you know.
Yeah.
I just, me I say, sometimes the woman, them I get some oxtail, because every man have pigtail, you know. So sometimes them I get some oxtail, you know, and the oxtail sweet, you know.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden, you just stop, so, you know. So one time, me I get some oxtail, you know. And then me just stop sudden, and she say, why you stop? So I tell her, I say, I'm menopause, you know. And I stop.
Oh, so you're giving a joke. Men pause, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just a bless you up still here, sir.
Cool, no, man. All right.
All right,
cool.
sir. We're moving on.
Yeah, moving right along. Yeah, man. Yeah. All right, Derek. Cool. Yeah, man. So Derek just called for give one joke just now, you know. Hello. Yeah.
Evening, wow, go on.
There I know. So,
I'm running.
eh?
I say if everything up and running.
Yeah, man, everything plug in, man, and light there, man. Electricity there, you know, everything I light up. You see what I say?
Yeah, man, that's a long time listening, second time. Love how the man talk about the things them all over. Sometimes I listen to it come like a me I talk about, brother.
Cooler,
I
man.
travel the world. I used to travel the world. So everywhere you go, me go.
See it
Thailand.
there. See it there.
Thailand, me love Thailand.
Why you love Thailand? Why you love Thailand?
Only for reason, man. You know what I mean? No? Me not gonna talk.
No,
You know what I mean? No?
me not do certain things when I go there, you know, even though it dash over there, you know. Me not do certain things when I go
You
there,
know
you know.
what I mean? No?
Eh,
Thailand
me
is the
not do
place,
certain.
brother.
Thailand is
Lam
the place,
Chabang,
man. Yeah.
Lam Chabang, Phuket, the whole of them places.
Well, you
Travel.
know, yeah, from Mr. Ramchavan, you mean say you know Thailand. Everybody know Phuket and Bangkok, you know, and Chiang Mai. But once you start talking about Krabi and all them places, around Chaban and them places, it means you really know
Man, the
Thailand.
whole of them places, you cut down China, the whole of them places. Brother.
Yeah. And I'm carrying, and again, people just want to remind you, know, I'm doing a trip to Thailand next year, December the 1st, where I leave. You all are welcome to come on the trip. And it's with TamFam Travel. This is one of my business and thing. When I know some carry groups and trips all over. Ghana was the country I start with. I brought several trips to Ghana. We have a Ghana trip coming up in April. We still have some openings who want to go. And that is a great trip for any Jamaican to go to. And we're doing the Thailand next year, December. And we want to come. That's going to be a fun one and thing. Make no man I tell you about the beaches, them down at Phuket and all them place there, no Bangkok, jiggy and nice, man. Yes, man. So all who want more info. Yeah, go on.
Go out on the private island, go bust some gun and.
Yeah, the long tail boat them, no. The long tail boat them, no. You see it, you know.
What a sweet, man. Sweet.
And them run the place and thing. We had people who want more information about that, go over to tamfamtravel.com. Even though them I do something from my site today, I hope it work right now. It's called tamfamtravel.com. 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 You can go over there and check it out. Let me see. It up. Them don't do what them I do. And things. So you're going to say Ghana learncation, and you're going to say Thailand learncation and things. We have more trips that come up, you know, Panama and a couple of that one, but you can check out them there for now. So TamFamers, next year December, the whole of we are go over Thailand. And what happened on the Raga trip, them stay upon Raga trip. And yeah, enough thing going on Raga trip. But let me tell you from now, what happened on the trip when we go anywhere, what happened in Ghana, stay in Ghana. What happened in Thailand, stay in Thailand. See, Gram Smaga, they know what go on. See, my brother Gram Smaga in the chat, they know what go on. All right. So, hey, since you're there, you know, which part over there go on bad, you know, with the something them. When me tell you, say, be some orgies, and this the passport bros, them going to come in the front of dash. Pattaya, you know, man.
Pattaya, I know, man. I got the idea, man. Pattaya, man.
Yes, man. Over there, them are going. Yeah, man, when you go over there, man, you see.
Cambodia, we got
Vietnam a trend right now too, you know, man. Vietnam a trend right now, you know. Vietnam
love Vietnam.
Turn up right now, you know, man.
Love Vietnam, man. Vietnam are my spot.
Yes, man. Vietnam are going with. Yo, when we go there, a lot of people, I'm say, yo, Vietnam are going, you know, them are tell when we drop a Thailand, come and spend 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks there, whatever, and them say, yo, Vietnam are going, the thing turn up over there.
First time I got China and see dog in the chef, man, I said, Judge, I know the people are really name dog for true, man.
Yeah. But
I couldn't believe I missed the dog.
No, but at the same thing when people say certain people from certain country come and say we are kill cow and I kill goat and I kill ant.
True.
Them things say it just, you know, so to each his own though.
Yeah, man, to each his own, for real, man.
You see it.
Anyway, but further on the thing there, the topic where I listened to last night about me chipping out.
Yeah.
This thing there is a real thing, brother. Like the bridging there, I just call in and have the experience. I have the same experience like him, but on a slime. Sometimes I try to kiss a beer and I tell her, say, the mouth, tinky. I couldn't kiss it. I'm trying a many ways to tell her, say, yo.
So when you lean in for kiss her, what you do? You smell her more?
Smell, when you start kissing, you smell it, you know, the back smell them. I don't know if you explain it.
You smell the what?
Like, I don't know if you explain it. Like a smell, when you start kiss, that smell start
No, so when I ask you, did end up a kiss her, even though you did find out and thing, you did still kiss her, though?
No way, I have to stop. I mean, like the brethren say, you just turn you off. You have to stop right away. You can't, you just have to cut off a kiss.
No, what I mean, you did start, you did push your tongue in her mouth?
Start all of that, man, and the breath just rise up, man.
And the breath.
The breath just rise up.
When you say the breath rise up on your thing and whatever, you have to ease her off, no?
Yeah, man, if you ease her off, man.
John, no.
Yeah, man, but the kissing thing there is very essential. Because I tell her, say, I deal with a girl, a Spanish girl, and I tell her, when a girl kiss her brother, like a heaven at them, man. Heaven.
Yeah.
The kissing does set the whole tone, bro.
Yes,
so,
no.
Thing,
yeah.
Yeah, man, if a woman can't kiss brother, it don't make no sense. The same thing we talk about the lock mouth. I hate when a woman kiss you and
lock them mouth, don't.
The worst thing could have happened, brother. I tell her, man, the worst thing could have happened.
When you kiss a woman and she dead and her mouth lock and you can't put your tongue in her mouth, don't.
Can't do nothing. Big turn off, man.
Turn off.
John. In my 40s, I can say about 5-6 women me kiss will really set the tone.
We know how to kiss, don't.
We know how to kiss.
Because enough people don't know how to kiss, you know. Enough people don't know how to kiss, you know. Them just put mouth by mouth, but them don't know how to kiss.
I don't kiss that.
Grown people, them don't know how to kiss. Them don't know how to kiss.
That's true.
No, man, you have enough people. Enough women, them don't know how to kiss. You just work with it. But a nice woman, but them don't know how to kiss.
They don't know how to kiss. Everything else good. I want to, if you're going to make love and the kissing, not set it right, you know, it's just like, it don't make no sense.
Wait, say that again.
We say if you're going to make love and the kissing not right, it don't make no sense. It's
but
just
you know,
like,
some people don't understand that something they're doing. Some people don't understand that something, especially man, you know. Them, you know, some man just juju focus, pony focus. That's you know. So when you say to a man, say, John, no, you can't kiss a woman and you don't even want her front again. You have some man that say, yo, I idiot that from me get the front, me no business and whatever and thing like that. But you know, to each his one. But you never kiss. I mean, the brethren say I'm out, they raw slimy, but. You never kiss a woman, her mouth never stink or nothing. But you kiss her, and then the way she kiss is like, you know, everybody want to do nothing. But I'm nothing wrong with her or whatever. She just can't kiss, and then the way she kiss, you're like, yo, me do everybody want to do nothing and thing. You never do that yet? Yeah, that reached me. Yeah, that reached me already.
All the time, man.
Yeah, you know.
I tell you, when you talk, brother, it's just like, when you talk, your life almost come like my life. The things where you do, the places where you go, the life where you experience. I've been down that road, everything.
No, wait 1 second. Wait. Sorry. Mr. Somebody I tell Christina for Black Voyage, I think because him post dirty Ragashanti. Don't do it. A regular thing that, and for those of you who don't know, there's some Jamaicans who will be greeting you in a fun way. And them say like, dirty Jenny, dirty so-and-so, a regular common thing that. On top of that, a whole heap of people call me dirty Raga. And that's nothing. So don't block that person there, you know? Okay, go on talk, yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah. So that's how you things set up, man. Can I say enough of time, the way you talk some things, the story them when you grow up, you know, when you meet a girl the first time and you're in love. Been on all them road, man, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Some more time, I just love listen to the man. Because even the other day when you got to Thailand, I cuss out your nasty ass, you know. The man gone and not do no live, and there's a man like listen to your live every day, you know, get up on me tune into your live, even if it's an hour.
Yeah, man.
Love
Give
listening to my
thanks.
life. Come I
Give
tell you
thanks.
something, you lick some nail all the time, brother. Enough time I did the laugh and I say, brother, you know, easy, you know, man.
Give
Raga
thanks.
will
We
behave
give thanks.
himself, man. Yeah,
Give
man.
thanks,
So,
man.
you
That's
know,
our
but
word,
like I
man.
said, a kissing thing there, very
Yeah.
essential.
You see it. You see it. They're
Very
critical,
essential.
man. They're critical.
Very,
They're
very
critical. They're critical.
critical, bad.
I'm a
No,
general.
man
Yeah.
can't say them are going to make. Yeah, man. So I say a word. So,
Yeah, man. I
blessing
don't know
and
any
happy
protection and
Thanksgiving.
strength in my lion. All right, cool.
Yeah,
Here,
man.
sir.
I'd love to make a Thailand trip, there, but I got a time when I carry the come with them. I didn't time I'm do my family trip. But
Okay,
maybe when I
understood.
trip them, we catch it there.
Yeah, man. Well, I do other trip
That's
too,
the
man.
word.
See, yeah, man.
All
See,
right, so
blessings,
go
man.
on,
Cool.
take it, man. Match up
Yeah, man.
yourself
Protection, man. Cool. Mad thing, cool.
every time.
Seeing. Yeah, general say, man, say the kissing thing critical. It's important, you know. Angie B said, that's the reason why I spend mouth. Spend, I think she probably want to say spend pan her mouth. Yeah, Craigton asked if Grams Morgan still there. I don't know, Grams Morgan. Grams Morgan, I go do the benefit show for Jamaica, you know, them have a benefit show come, I think, December 12th. Or UBS Arena in New York, you know. And, you know, Shaggy organize it and thing, and Grams dep on it and thing, you know, so who are support. Hello.
Hey, Raga.
Wagwan Bobo.
Hey, TamFam.
Proper.
Well, I don't have any story, but I want to elaborate on two things. Like
Yes.
the lady a while ago that said the man had the shrimp.
Yeah.
That's why my philosophy is feel up of a go on.
Okay.
So if I meet somebody and you know we're talking on the phone or whatever, when we meet up, brother, I'm gonna get feel up. Because number one, I want to feel the length. Number two, I want to feel if it's firm, if it can rise.
Yeah.
Because like cookie, I ain't raising no dead.
Okay.
Yeah.
But
So
you reconcile that with the fact that women say, I know a woman say that, say you have somebody, when you look upon them and then down, they look little, you know. But when they come up, it come big. Apparently, you have somebody look little
but
at
I said
first,
that's
it
how the
come up
feel up
big.
come into play.
Okay, so if you feel I turn around and make it come up and thing, that's what you say. Eh?
Yeah, and normally when they tend to feel up men, them like we want to take it out and show you.
Oh, for real?
Them tend to want to take it out. Yeah.
What is that, you know, the man, them say, well, you feel up his strength, you know, I'm going to take the wallet, no man, see it, yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, man, I see I feel up a thing, you know, I give you it, man. You see it, hold it, man, I feel right, you know,
Exactly,
well.
Raga. Exactly. And at that point, I am going to determine if it's one, if it is too small.
Yeah.
One, if it, remember me is a 6-inch girl, you know, so it are under 5.5 to 6. So first of all, I'm gonna say, all right, this is my size, or no, me can't manage this, or
So
me feel like me I work too much.
you not pass, you know one, like, if you see an 8-inch body or 7-inch body, you not take it.
Raga, would I try? I swear.
You not try the 7? You not try the 7?
I would. Yeah, but you know,
Where you
I
cut
would
off?
try.
Where is your cut off?
Where's my cutoff?
Yeah.
7.
I mean, you say you're 6-inch. You say 6-inch, 6'5". You say you're that. But you say you cut off a 7, right? Okay, so a 9 or 10-inch and thing, you're not you.
No, Raga, no,
Not
I can't manage that.
Not you.
I'll have nowhere to take that. No.
Or is it that you have if you don't mind me asking, is that you have a fairly shallow
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Right, okay. And no, it's a very real thing, and you're doing the right thing, because women have to take responsibility for protect themselves in that regard, because as I mentioned before, and is a doctor them tell me this straight up, and I say, this thing a woman do when them say them a wallet and man a beat them cervix and whatever, Doctor tell me, two doctor tell me in a wait name TGI Friday where they write at the corner Lady Musgrave and Hope Road in front of King's house there. Remember, two doctors said no, that is cancer causing, and it can cause permanent severe damage to women. So him say it's not a flex. The woman I give pride for say, oh, the body I mash up and them feel it a touch bottom or whatever. Him say it's not a good thing. I mean, if it happen not one or two times, I know nothing, but if you're there with a man and every night, a batterments down this and whatever, this and that, dog, I'm your supper, man.
And that hurts, Raga. It hurts.
Yeah.
That shit hurts.
Yeah.
So, sometimes we did, you say it's good pain, but when the pain lingers, it's not a nice feeling when it lingers.
Exactly.
So the pounding business, like, I see a man with a 9-inch or 8-inch arm running for the hills.
See it there? But again, like I always tell people that, when you're younger, you think, say, you just want the biggest wood ever. And when me get older, a woman educate me and say, listen, you need to sit down here, because you think you understand. And I said, let me tell you something. We don't like liquor dick. Them tell me that. We don't like liquor dick. But them say we don't like no big wood either. Because we don't enjoy it. That is what them say. We hold it, the lady them tell me, and I say, we hold it if we have a hold it, but we have hold it through pain and thing, and it's not fun. We don't enjoy. That them tell me.
European, when I finish,
you
have to get some warm water with some vinegar thing and salt and sit down over it and steam. Like, no.
Yeah, sit down in a basin. That they go in Jamaica. Them go sit down in a basin.
Yeah, like, we don't want that.
Yeah.
But I don't want that. I'm speaking for myself. I don't want that.
Yeah.
And the other thing is that when Sonia said that if a man go down on her, she don't want him to kiss her. I can't never understand that, Raga. Like, you what you do, you scar in your own vagina. I don't understand. Like, I don't understand it.
Exactly.
Why wouldn't you want to taste your own self? Like, and these are the same ladies that give blowjob but don't want to taste their own vagina. I don't understand it.
Yeah. I know. Yeah. Them ones, that's the part where and I'm not gonna lie, I was really, really old when me one doctor tell a woman, say, you need to check yourself and taste yourself. I was like, and she, and I tell me, say, no, regular thing that woman check themselves and taste themselves. I didn't even know that was a thing, so, but again, it's context, I don't know,
I don't know, Raga. I'm just so sorry that I'm not skilled enough to put my head down there myself. Trust me.
Yeah, what?
I need that skill to put my head down there and taste my own self. I don't have that skill. I would love to have that skill.
Use your finger and taste yourself.
Yeah, but that's a different thing. Like when man put them head down there, sorry, my head can't reach down there.
Oh no, I mean I said woman for put them head on them own thing.
Well, if I could, Raga, I would.
Yep.
If I could.
Yeah, when you say anyway, flexibly enough and could have put your head down there on your own thing, you would have do it though.
Yes, sir.
And
yes, sir. Every day.
Then suppose somebody has said, no, that different from if you masturbate, with yourself or whatever. Suppose somebody said that, like, no, that different, you're not supposed to want to do that. What would your response be?
Why? Why would it be different? Is it the same thing, the same pleasure? Like, I don't understand. Why would it be different? It's not different. It's the same.
Yeah.
It's the same. It's not different from me. But it's just weird when I hear women say that all the while. It's just weird to me.
Right. So you have no problem if you're a man, I eat you and then him come up and start kiss you and thing and then I'll go back with you.
No, mix it up. I want to taste that. I want to taste that. Let me taste that. Of course.
I know enough man love. I have read. You see a man and a finger and woman now, and then him go so boom and put it in her mouth, and then she goes so boom and look. Yeah. You like that too?
Yes, indeed.
Sure. Yeah, man, that bad man. Yeah, I read that in what the book again, chapter 7, you know. Yeah.
I need to borrow that book, Raga. I need to borrow that.
No, I have several books, you know, and I'm an avid reader. Come on now. I gotta read a long time, you don't know that man, yeah. I bought something with that man, yeah. Finger this or whatever again, and then she just bite down, you know. Yeah, bought something with that man. All right.
Yeah, because Raga, if like if you don't want, if somebody go down on you and you don't want them to kiss you, why you want the person to go down on you? Like, it doesn't make any sense to me.
Yeah.
If you don't want to taste your own self, why you want somebody to go down on you?
That's a good point, you know. If you somehow avoid tasting your own self, why you?
Yeah.
Well, in the case of woman, I understand it, but in the case of man, that's fine, but yeah. You know, man want woman go down upon them, but you know, I don't want to taste my own self.
Yeah, but men are different.
Precisely.
Yeah, we would find it weird too if a man say, "All right, I'm gonna taste my own." Like, what look on him like, what? What do you mean by it? Yeah, that's not sound right.
Yeah.
But you know, it's different. I don't know. Everybody to each his own.
You know, you
I
talk
love
say
that
them not licky back.
Yeah, well, that's okay. I love that shit. So I love it for me and you, okay?
What that go?
I said I love that shit. So I would do it for me and her. Or me
Oh, for
and
you
him.
and she. Okay. Who them say them not like it. No say a word, man. Big up yourself here.
All right, Raga, take care.
All right, boo. Love and blessings,
Bye,
man. Cool.
TamFam.
All right. All right, all TamFamers, listen up. That's all I want to who I watch right here now. If you're not follow me first, follow me now, right? If you're not follow me yet, follow me now. If you're not follow me Stir Wash Belly, me, Ragashanti yet, follow me right now, okay? Additionally, you see that orange heart there right beside my name on your device? Just touch the orange heart there and do a thing named Heart Me. Right? It's a TikTok thing and it can improve the ratings of your channel, of your, all, okay? So everybody do that for me. The orange heart beside my name on your device, your phone, your tablet also. Just press the orange heart there. And TikTok will guide if you do a thing named Heart Me. All right? Do the Heart Me. And if you're not follow me yet, follow Ragashanti right now. If you're not follow me yet. Follow Ragashanti right now. If you're not follow me yet. See? Follow me now. That was a big line in a DJ music back in the day, you know. Follow me now. Follow me now. See? All right. Let me take about 1 or 2 more link and then I show out, because see them all there later than me did plan, 2 more. And see where I go on here. Hello. Nah, waste no time, Watch your ride, Nah, waste no time. Keep it moving. Hello.
Raga.
What's up?
Good night, Raga.
Good night to you too. Yeah.
All right. TamFam, big up everybody. Night.
Proper.
I just spaceman messy, Raga.
Oh, me don't.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but me I miss a smiling way, so no feel me no mind with that, See? Yeah. What's up?
I have something for read for you, right?
Rinse.
You ready?
Yeah, send on.
All right. Dear Diary, I couldn't wait to write the wholesome tales from last night. I'm sure no one would even believe, so the truth I write for no one to read. As you know from my previous chapters, I was nursing my heart in so many fractures, so an invite to this house party was gladly accepted. A distraction to my hurt was instantly concepted. The party was loud. I couldn't hear myself think. and there was like 2% chaser in this goddamn drink. So eventually I took to a room upstairs, away from the noise, the chatters and stares. I locked the door behind me and went straight for the bed. I just needed to rest my spinning head. I closed my eyes for what felt like 5 minutes. I swear to you, the nap was shorter than a midget, but when I checked the phone, it was 3 hours overdone. It was still dark, but it was almost time to see the sun. I looked for somewhere to hide when I heard incoming footsteps. So cliche, I hid in the fucking closet. To settle my nerve, I closed my eyes. But when I looked through the crack, I was surprised. It seems these two couldn't wait for the party to end. The guy hosting the party and his girlfriend. No, they were all over each other, and the room was lit with passion. Nudity quickly replaced their fashion. Her skin, perfectly highlighted with graceful vitiligo, making head spin like vertigo. His body was chiseled. He obviously worked out, but he was more concerned about using his mouth, so he laid her where I once slept. Then to his knees he quickly went. Her moans filled the room, and I just had to sit there like a pervert. I promise you I'm not, but all I could do at this point was just tighten my legs and rock. I was stuck between a rock and a hard place, I thought, until I saw the look on his face. Not her boyfriend, not the party guy, but his best friend. He entered the room with a grin so wide I started to wonder if I should run instead of hide. But I was the only one overthinking, clearly. The price, to my surprise, I paid dearly. 'Cause they were gentlemen, so respectfully he posed. And this had to be their thing because they were too composed. And she was engulfed in pleasure. Why would she stop it at all? She sat there smiling while the man stood tall. Do you mind? Her boyfriend asked. Her fantasizing couldn't be masked by the innocent giggle as she asked him the same. Do you mind? Asked without shame. Her boyfriend kissed her as if a consensus was reached, and then pulled on her bottom lip as he released her to his friend, who went straight for her tits, enticing them with nibbles and licks. Her head flung back as she bit her lip, with his mouth on one and the other his fingertip. And the boyfriend stood hard stroking his dick, watching his friend feast from his chick. Now at this point my poor panty was confused of its purpose. Juices ran down my thighs in surplus. The throbbing of my pussy gave me a headache. I really didn't know how much I could take, so I rubbed her for comfort. Be calm, I beg, until I saw the best friend's third leg. Genuine desire.
Yeah, okay. Genuine desire. Poetry. Well, yeah, it's another interesting one with some nuances there. Big up yourself, you know, all right?
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, man. Blessings and respect, man. Why people no should have there all yesterday, she rinsed 3 of them yesterday, and them they treated it bad too. And I respectfully submit that. Better than the one tonight too. Yeah, but I think I'm gonna post a couple of them there, you know, just from my page, from my TikTok page, just to make it, you know. Okay. Yeah, them I go around, you know. When I'm talking about Raga, you're good. You're not going like some frightened around here. I want to know. People, right? My body have experience, all right? My body are not frightened, because me telling all the while, my body reason all the while. I tell you, so my body listen up poem there a while ago, my body was just, yeah, that's good, yeah, good. I'm telling you yesterday, you know. It's a chun chun. You have an energy about chun chun, you know. You see, when you go in at some chun chun, you feel like life has purpose. There's a reason to live. You go in at some chun chun, you just feel exhilarated, you know. You get brighter, you know. You feel like you're intellectually gifted, you know. You go in at some chun chun, you want to write a book. You want to go teach at college, you know. Yes, man. And you go in at some chun chun, them just uplift you, you know. And the woman now, if you do nothing sometime, you know, you just go in there, you just feel uplifted, you know. You go in at some chun chun and you feel like you just baptized and born again, you know. You go in at some chun chun and you wonder, but not June me in our Christmas already, yeah. And at the same thing, say you have some chun chun, them bright and intelligent and just associated with them uplift you, you know. But you go in at some other chun chun and some dunce bad chun chun was called school. You understand? You go in at some chun chun and the chun chun have no ambition, you understand? You go in at some chun chun a pretty dunce, it look good before you go in there. When you go in there, you're like, I know I really do this and thing I want them. And ladies, me tell you, no go through the same thing too. You know, see a boy and the boy nice and all these things and da 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 da. And when the boy put that in a your thing, you don't get nobody inspiration, right? You don't get nobody motivation. You don't get nobody upliftment and thing. And the boy in here, you just work with it, right? Yeah, somehow when you get somebody and when it done, you just feel like say the boy masturbating and that was it. Because you don't get nothing from it. But you say, but me they like him and thing and whatever. It's because him body dance. You have dance body out there. Right? And it's the same thing, ladies. When you get like a bright body, a body will sit at the front of the class and pay attention and learn and have them something there. When you get a bright body, ladies, don't you feel like you don't want to become an entrepreneur, right? You know, get a bright body when you start to, oh, I'm a fucking baddie. Right? The body make you feel like a baddie. Because we don't know them talk, don't have no duh. Yeah, man, me sure so when I get somebody and the body uplift for no man, make the body feel like make you want to work, you have energy for work. Yeah, you probably get somebody and you want to go nursing school, you want to become a medical assistant, you want to start a business and whatever. Like the body make you just start think progressive and all these things and whatever. You have dunce body and bright body. Dunce pony and bright pony. Choose wisely. Mm-hmm. And acknowledge the truth when you get it. Yeah. I'm just saying. Okay. I'm just saying. All right. So big up the woman and whatever the intelligence something, you know. I don't know what we are talking about. You know. Everything is everything, all right? Latisha, what I got though?
Right.
Boop say when they make you want to go corporate though. Greetings, what I got?
Wagwan Raga.
There, you know, yes.
You know what years me I listen to you for radio days, you know?
Cool, no, man.
Me I listen to you for radio days. Me used to do everything when I do from early in the morning, you know, if you just to come get to lay down and listen, you know.
Yeah. Remember when
Yeah,
people used to say that, yeah.
Some people don't know you for radio days, but me I listen to you from them time there.
See it. Where are you now? Where are you at this moment now? You have what the dance round.
Well, I mean, I'm at work. Let me move and work. Come out and it's just now. I'm at work.
Yeah.
So enough people don't know you from radio days, but watch now, man. That was like my enjoyment for the day. Me not get about that bed till when your show finish, you know.
Blessings, man. Blessings.
Let's tell you, man.
Blessings.
So me happy if you know say man TikTok come man and you out there, you know, cause when I time them gonna give you a fight, you know.
Yeah, we get no fight tonight, you know, but we'll push through and
but
look
you can't, let me tell you something. Let me tell you about a star. A star always have to shine, you know. No matter where you go to, star is something you're about, you know.
Yeah.
Star is something you always shine, and you're born a star, and you can't stop a star from shine.
Maddy, give thanks.
Then I'm like, when I tell them, I say, oh, it's so intelligent, now watch it, think when I would hear the things them when talking.
And beat me about that all the while. I don't pay them no mind
But
doing.
watch man, you do things that make you happy, and if you never do this, probably you're all sick because you do
Yeah,
things to make you happy. You always a smile and all them things, and that's the
yeah.
greatest Raga.
Cool,
Yeah, I
man.
tell you.
You see, me a big old
But
man. Me a big old man. I'm happy. I'm a balance. I'm a stress free or whatever because me do what make me
good
happy. You know.
man, of
Yeah, man.
course.
Give
And you
thanks.
hear
Give thanks.
something. If your spirit even down, somebody always come with something to uplift your spirit. You know.
See it
You
then.
understand?
See
So
it
at
then.
the end of the day, even when your time come for you die, you go die smiling because there's somebody in your ears with something. So
Yeah,
you want to
yeah,
watch them. You just rise to the higher heights because you're up there already, you know. You
yeah.
understand? And you know you're going to keep rising until whenever time. You
Ah,
know,
you do.
God says
Yeah,
your time. So you know, watch nobody, brother. You just do your thing and make you happy, man. And watch
yeah.
people. You
That is
understand? Because if you could have
so.
stopped you, then I stopped you already.
Yeah, that is so sweet of you and kind of you for take a time for give me that little blessing in the night, man. I'm
Yes,
just
man. Me I
thankful,
say,
man.
man.
Yes,
Rather
man.
me
Blessing.
I listen. Enough time me the it thing I listening about true. Sometimes the place busy, me can't get to come on and think. You
Yeah,
know? Me
yeah,
have to big
yeah.
you up, man. Trust me,
Give
man.
thanks, give
Me have
thanks.
to big you up every time,
But
man. Trust me
where are you
because
right now? Are you where are you right now? What
I am
country?
in Trinidad. I live in Trinidad.
You live in Trinidad. We're in Trinidad. Me I go and let me know Trinidad, but we're in Trinidad.
I live Triguana side.
What name?
Triguanas.
Triguanas in
Yeah.
Trinidad. Bless up yourself, man, and things. Seeing blessings,
Yeah,
man.
but
See.
watch, me a Jamaican, you know, when me a tell us, me a listen Barreda, Jamaica, me there, you know.
No, me know.
Oh,
No, we can tell.
even even though we country get a little mash up still, but trust me, we are strong
Yeah.
people. We are come back, you know. We
Yes,
are
man.
come back, man. Trust me, me
Yes,
not give
man.
up because no matter what, me love my country, no matter what, because we tell you, no matter what we go, no matter what we marry, with passport can't change, no matter how much name we get, passport can't change.
Man.
Because that is our nationality.
Yes.
You
Proper.
understand? So at the end of the day, man, me hold on to my nationality. No matter what a boy and a girl can say nothing about my country, make me hear, man. Me put you in your place one time, man.
Race up a guy, no.
And
Yeah.
what you say? Me not play
Yeah.
with my country. Me no matter what going on there or what. My country is my country. Cause everybody value where them come from. So why me not supposed to big up my country and value my country?
Indeed.
Of course.
Indeed.
But Raga, you want to something to tell you, yes?
Brains box me in a
They,
nastiness with it, you know.
but you know, say, when me about, come here 55 now, you know.
Yeah.
But you know, say, Raga, when me about 44 or 45. You know, girl feel like he's still younger, you know. So when your age come on, and you know, say you don't know it already.
Yeah.
But me so feel myself, you know.
Yeah.
So me I date this man now. But me was like a little bit older than him. Wasn't I about him 30 or 38, 37.
Yeah.
So then boy come over, man, and thing, man, and you know, we are doing things. I mean, I tell you, you know, we Jamaican,
Yeah.
you know how we excited and like experiment.
Yeah,
Me
extra sometimes.
dear, me say me
Yeah.
I tell you. So me make a split, you know. When me I tell about the split, me making a rag and me lay down on the bed, you know. And one of my foot up on the bed and one the round in neck in a rag and I lay down, you know.
And then
Raga.
one of your foot the way, one of your foot the way and where?
One of my foot up on him lay down and one of my foot up on the bed and one round in neck.
Round him
And
neck.
head.
Bomba!
Yeah, me I tell you.
Yes, yeah.
You hear me I tell you, Raga?
Yeah. Boom, yeah.
Raga, me say me I go on with myself. And I tell you, say, yeah, go on with himself, you know. Go like, go on with himself, you know. Raga. One time I feel like something shift me. I say, Jesus Christ. Raga. You see, when the foot come down, Raga, me can't move.
And what did happen to you? And what did happen to you? And what you do? You broke somewhere down.
No, you know, bro. The home chief.
Jeez and peace.
Raga, you know, hear me, I tell me, say, Raga, me I go on with myself, you know, hear me, I tell you. And then, you know, when you deal with someone and then them can adjust to your thing and them are go on with for themselves too.
Yeah.
Mr. Raga, home chief, Raga, hospital, you know, hospital.
So what you mean by womb shift? Your womb shift?
Yeah, the womb when me reach a doctor, me got the doctor, cause the man say one jam to you know.
Yeah.
When me got the doctor, can't walk, pain, Raga, pain. I say,
Oh God.
When I go to the doctor and thing and doctor examine me, doctor say, what you was doing? Me say, doctor, me not tell you no lie, me have to tell you the truth because if me want get better, me have to tell you.
Right.
So no, cause Raga, if me want help, me have to talk it out.
Right. Yeah.
So me say that me not tell you no lie, you know, say me not have some sex, but me to be a play sex part, you know, them. Hey, no man, the doctor start laugh, yes. The doctor say, but listen. Right now, the examination that I do, you know, just your womb like it shift. So me say, Doctor, what you mean by womb shift? Him say, the man penis shift, whatever. Raga, make me tell you, for years, I pain in a raga.
No, well on. Did your womb shift based on the really challenging position when you did or did it shift because it would be?
Shift because it would never be. It would not be, you know, but it kind of little longish. Cause you know, let me tell you now. You know, a taller man have a slimmer, a more slimmer would more than a short man. Cause you know, short man have thick wood, sometimes thick big one.
The short man them have thick wood.
And me if you tell about them, me dear.
Okay. And then the tall man them have what kind of wood, you know?
The tall man them now.
Yeah.
Them have like a size, you know, but them not have it like how the short man would have it.
Oh, you mean girth? Them not have the width, you know? Them not have the girth, them mean.
Yes. Them would not kind of fat like the short man them want.
Okay. So the short man them have fat wood and the tall man them have,
Yeah, it's kind of slimmer. So I tell you the truth, Raga, let me tell you, when you're in at that moment, you know, sometimes you're not even, when you get out of control in a Raga, me I tell you, Raga, and when me done everything, me find say something wrong and me can't walk good and me belly hurt.
So hold on. About how long, as much as I can remember, how long was him something? How long it about?
That about 8, 9.
About 8, 9 and thing, okay. So okay. So you did have one foot down, and then the other foot up round the neck.
All right, in lay down, like how you lay down on the bed, and so for instance, you lay down by your side, and it's like him come in between, you know, so him hold that the foot down between him leg and my next foot the round him neck stretch out, you know.
Okay, so you kind of dip on your start almost like a lizard, but the other leg come all the way up round him neck. So you're right, it's a split inner. It's a split your inner. And you say when you're in that split, there you're going with yourself, see him, you send it on down.
Raga, me I tell you, let me tell you, boy.
And him did a wheel it up in you too, down.
You hear what me say?
So I want womb shifting position that, you know,
But Raga, me should have did know too, because here what happen now, Raga. When me in a the position, it's like, you know, say vagina have many places in a hit figure. You know, you have one little part in the vagina. If you find that in a one woman, it like it grip the hood and hold it, you know. And me, if you tell you,
so when you say,
but me have one.
You have the pump in the what? When you catch up, it just grip you and hold you tight.
Man, it just hold it. and grip you there so.
Yeah, some pass. And every woman have it though, but some woman have a grip.
Yeah, I mean, me say me don't know, and that's why me say me don't know if every woman have it, but me know me have one like that.
No, and every woman have it. And every woman have it. But so, you have the gripper. You know, you have the gripper.
Yeah, it look like now when he go there, so no one he feel it grippy money. Yeah, sanita, send hard, and then no, it's pretty sweet. Me now me start go on with myself. I in the hospital there.
Jesus. Me shift your woman.
Me say, I do not. They see me greatest enemy, rather.
Yeah.
Me no want they go through that. Rather that
crazy pain.
That is a painful thing, you know, rather.
John.
Me no want. That's why me say when me hear the lady talk, yeah, and I say she not take more than 6 or whatever. Me no blame she, boy.
So what the doctor say the body shift your womb?
Yeah, I don't know he brag nothing else never go in there. I hit. He tell me she
I need to that time.
I must say body can nothing else never go in there, no, so I must say body.
Not that thing else. But everything did alright before the man come the rag.
Yeah. But you said too, you did get older to one thing, and you know, so you seem to be suggesting that you did do certain things where you shouldn't probably do. If you did younger, it wouldn't have been a problem, but at that age. Was that it? Yeah?
Shut your mouth and mind you can call me. Only make me have to follow.
No, me not say that. Me just say you did say, you know, when your age come up.
Let me tell you, me still bad same way. Same way catch me.
Okay,
you still bad same way.
No, you can't split so again. You can't. Come on, talk it truth. You can't split so. You cannot split so. You cannot split so again. You can't split so again.
Christ, I tell you that me not ask you.
Well, you can do that split there still. I know you can do that split there.
Same way.
With the foot down and the other one the up and running.
Me not ask Christ, I tell you.
And then when they flip, then y'all wine and I send it and I take your body same way.
I'm tear I don't know if you stop me now.
No, me don't know. Me don't think
so. Feed yourself.
No, but me no want you feel that way. You know, put on, you get older and thing, you know, put on look weight, that's why you're less flexible now and all them something there. No, so it go.
Raga. I want thing with me, you know. Me know what you do, you know, when they reach up in that age, I'm supposed to have an open weight. I do a lot of walking, me no fat, me dear. When me did up in that age, me did kind of have a little thickness, me no maga, you know, but me no fat.
Me no think you can still do that position there. Me think you to that harder for you right now.
Hard to do, Raga, that no hard.
No, me mean no, say it have a harder for you do right now.
So we ask you a question. Now me and you gonna fall out. So you feel like me stop have sex, Raga?
No, me not say you stop have sex. Me say people still have sex, but certain things that people could.
That's what I tell you. That's what I tell you.
Hold on, man. You know, one woman, she's a TamFam a long time. She named Novelet. You ever hear we talk about her over here? All right. Novelet, no. Must go here where the young as them in them 20s. You have a thing named straight foot backers, right? Where the woman stand up and she don't bend her knee. And then, you know, you have to really good if you can do that, you know. And they give one different kind of tightness and thing, you know. And if you can still whine and thing. Novelet, no. You're right. So Novelet, no. Go take up herself in a fear age and them something there. Gang, give man straight foot backers. You know, so when Novelet that do the straight foot backers, sitting there popping on one of Novelet leg. I know Novelet don't know what, but Novelet couldn't even walk, you know. Them have to end up this and Novelet going, you know. Them have to take her off of the body and put her up on a stretcher and carry her gone in an ambulance or whatever. When Novelet take picture, the whole of Novelet foot mash up, you know, from that straight foot backers there, you know. And we have to tell Novelet, what you
what she was?
Novelet, you know, probably her 40s, 50s and thing when she do that straight foot backers there. Mash up herself, man, me I tell you. So, and some things that me could have done me in my teens and 20s. Me can't do them right now. You mad?
No, me still do that. But all right. A woman never put her foot on your put your foot on your shoulder?
No.
Let
My
me tell
foot,
you. Let me tell
pan
you.
fear shoulder.
But let me tell you how you do it. Yeah. Let me tell you how woman do it.
Yeah.
Can we do it?
Yeah.
Let me tell you. It's like, all right, for instance, the man lay down on the back on the bed, right? But you're not going to come front way. You're going to turn back way, right? Yeah, listen to me.
No. What you saying that makes sense? You mean you the woman?
No, wait. Wait, let me tell you, man.
Yeah.
You're going to lay down on your back.
The man
All
upon
right?
him back,
Me a go-
right? Yeah.
The man upon him back. So, at the end of the day, when we come over now, pan the
Yeah.
man,
Yeah.
whatever, and balance myself certain way. Me tell you, put up your foot on my shoulder. So me gonna rest my 2 hands on your foot and go and work your hand there, so.
But let me ask you a straight question. But that no means that the man dey on him back and him cock up and well skin out, man, and you over him, man.
Enough all skin up, but yeah, your foot up.
Yeah, but
so at the end of the day.
So well,
So
that
if
position there.
up, if foot up, all because listen what me I tell you, Shraga. If foot not all like I remember say foot they respond my shoreline, so the foot them not all that skin out. But when you put up in foot,
but the man body come off my bed a little bit then, man.
all of that, but
No,
but,
you're not.
but
No,
listen,
you're not cut me up, so. You're not cut me up.
so weird. Listen here. So how? So how no one do it to woman?
They don't want to forget cock up. They don't want a woman. That's how they make it. Want to cock up and spread out and give the whole eye.
Listen to me. The man enjoyed, you know. The man enjoyed because listen to me. You see,
that
when
is
when we do it to
no
him, man,
woman I go lick for my 2 foot. Them I make my body come off of the bed and then I work me them. You blood clot, man. No.
Listen, you would like it, man, because
would I like what?
You know,
no. Come on, feel good. Want to feel good? I feel like a little bitch that I live.
Look, Raga. No, wait. Remember, at the end of the day, you lay down, so the woman come. Remember, say you stand at ovation, your thing. So when the woman come and position for yourself on that now, all you have to do just lift your foot and put on the woman's shoulder. So she gonna rest her hand.
Yeah.
Her back go turn to you, and she gonna rest her hand on your foot and balance herself, so you know, and go work in so until she feel like return. In man, when they do that too, always come back in a Raga.
The man always come back for them style.
And me, if you tell her like you must say, woman never do that to him yet, I say, well, I say.
But you want to say a whole heap of people in the chat, but it's fun, try it, and this and that and whatever.
It good.
No.
Hey, Raga, it good. It Raga. Try it, Raga. Just try it.
No, I'm okay. I don't have to try. Yeah. No, woman, now cut me up them way. Now cut me up them way.
No, maybe true you get up in that age and now still.
Yeah.
Probably if you're back in kind of a little more flexible and all of that, probably you have a problem.
Yeah. Me like you, full of vibes.
Oh, you mean? Me enjoy myself, man. You understand? Because I tell you, time I go come in a Raga where we have to just sit down and watch people go in and come in, you know. So you have to just enjoy the little what you have left in a brother.
That's true.
Big up yourself, man. Big up yourself, brother.
That's our word, man. Yeah, man. I respect your blessings in the night, yeah, man. Enough love and
yeah, man. Your respect up there a million, man. In 9,000, in millions.
All right, man. It goes
so me I say, brother, man. Yes, big up yourself, man. Me I go back to earth, you see?
Yes, man. Enough thanks. Here, bless up yourself, man.
All right, Raga. You can't drop me out of the chat.
Yeah, man. I do it right now.
Big up.
Boy, what a call, eh? What a call. No. You just say the position that you're in as a man, you're on your back right now, and you're 2 leg and hey, ladies, when we man a do them something there, you know, we get a joy and a power feeling, you know, when we are raised up on our foot, you know, man. Right? Me didn't have a little thing, you know, like me, I say, yo, man, I try to get her knee for touch her ears, you know. Me kind of get off on her something. Them. I want her knee for touch her ears. I want her knee them for touch her ears, you know. Tell me something. The screen is frozen. Am I frozen? Are you seeing me frozen on TikTok? Eh? Watch out. Zodi board, so we can. Okay, so I just my computer. Okay, no problem. Una see me. Zodi board, so we don't want that feeling to Zodi. Go from here, some man. Go from here, so Zodi. Hold on. What do you mean? No, no, I'm not moving, right? Me not move, or yes, me I move. No, me not move, right? Oh, so someone I see it. Not frozen, moving. Okay, you're good. Okay, as long as you not see me, because I have a screen where I monitor it from, and I'm frozen on that screen, so me check that out on it. Yes, so when me I say people, when me I say, see, that position there, it requires you to dip on your back. Like me I say, when me as a man, and we have up on a leg them, the foot and shoulder something there, right? And the funniest thing, you know, is not the most pleasurable position for Uno, you know. Based on how woman body set up, if a woman foot flat, you know, and a man inside her, you know, she get more pleasure, you know, than if the man put up a woman foot way up, you know, right? When a woman foot go all the way up and pleasure reach her, it must somehow hit her G-spot. And that's how we feel good. But outside of that, you know, right? It is all about the man feeling good about himself when a woman knee come up in the ear. And foot pan shoulder, right? Foot pan shoulder is more for men's ego and whatever, because man always feeling control and have power right this, you know, because when you can't whine as much and all them something there and whatever, and we just hold on and collar on, you know, your 2 foot up in the ear, you know. Worse. If we can go so boom and lock on the knee, them come down on the ears right here, so and lock on and just start to send it up, you know, man. We get a joy from that. Now you can imagine now, we in a similar position like that, with our foot them cock up so, and uno over we have. Yo, me see on video one time, you know, on the internet, you know. Yeah, man. It one woman and one man stay so, you know, but the man well spread out, you know, and cock up, you know, and she over him, you know. She over him and hold on in leg them like how man hold on woman leg, you know, and I mean she a boom it out still, you know, but the man just did a cock up and spread out like a little, you know. No, sir. No, Yeah, then that way for the man cut off on the ear supply, man, and them something there. See the killer Miller say him see that video too. When I see that video, then I tell him, I say, no, not to each his own, do what you want to do, you know. Me and I went, no woman cut me up so and whatever, and then yeah. You can't depend your back, man, and somebody, a woman a cock you up so and your body jar them raise up off of the bed the way you cock. No, sir, that don't even sound right, yo. Come on now. Me nah look on the cookie man stress, you know, because me done see fear game already, you know. Fear thing is for clown out, man, you know. And dominate, man, and whatever, and this and that, you know. That now work with me. Okay. So I can go on. See, the master good, I say, Raga, that no look good. Thank you, here, master. I say, Killer Miller, say, it's emasculating. Thank you. You see it? You see it? Me nah do that. Me nah do that. And next thing you know, you're going to make all a woman do you that and thing, and by the next day, she start her fiesta with you, you know. Yeah. Any woman do that thing and whatever, by the next day, she'll say, where you go? You're not leaving the house today and whatever, this and that. The next thing you know, she'll fling an apron gear and I say, get busy, bitch. You understand? And what you gonna say? Because you did well cock up last night. No, not happening around here. Anyway, people I eat that in a seat, them I go way later than I plan and thing. But that was a nice little call for end the show. Yeah, yeah, don't it, Julie? And he said, dirty boy, don't raise your voice off for me, you know. Right? Me don't want to get none of me skinny out last night. Me don't, no, that tone there. Me don't like that tone there. Me don't like that tone there. Right? Calm down. Yeah. And Carla said, not every woman is the same meaning. Some woman will do that and still respect the man. Don't. Yeah, boy. You know, sir, me can't take that something there. That one don't sound right. And thing, you know. All right, here we go on. All who are listening and watch right I know. If you're not follow me yet, follow me right now. If you're not follow me yet, follow me right now. If you're not follow me yet, follow me right now. Follow me right now. Follow me right now. If you're not follow me yet, follow me right now, okay? If you're not following me yet, follow me right now. I'm the Sandy Solid. Oh, I go and charge you, big up yourself, man, see? All right, people, we don't want to feel no way, you know, but me have to go show you now, you know. Yeah. See it there? See a woman say, if you respect your man, you not do that. No, but you're frightened. If you know what some man make woman do them out there, yeah? Worse than that, yeah? You understand? Worse than that. Yo, big up on yourself, man. Tomorrow is Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving and things seen. So, well, Thanksgiving up here and whatever, you know. That's a politically charged holiday and things like that, you know. When some people celebrate what them say Indigenous Day, all right? Because, you know, in truth, it wasn't anything but no Thanksgiving. The way them do the native people, them, this thing where them a celebrate, the way them trick the native people, them, and thief them and rob them and unalive them, you know. And then I talk about Thanksgiving. But so some people touch about it. But for a lot of people, it's not even about that. It's just a time for family and thing. And for those of you who don't know, it's actually the biggest holiday here. Some people think of Independence Day or Christmas or whatever. No. Thanksgiving is the biggest holiday here. It's the most traveled holiday. People travel most of it. And primarily it's about family. Okay? It's about spending time with family, eating some good food and all them something. And you have a lot of Thanksgiving mix up. You know, anytime families come together, you know, a proper thing, you know, a mix up and thing and memories and all kind of family secret come out and who get empowered now and feel to them can't talk up to so and all them something. So enough of that go on to, you know, see. But I'll be back tomorrow. Marine says she now cook. That's good. Save our family from that torture of having to eat her cooking and things. So that's a good thing. That's a public service Marine is doing to the world and to her family that she's not going to cook. That's good. Big up all our people who come from Constitution Hill and can cook. We know that Marine is not one of them. And thing. Sasha can cook good. And then when Sasha can cook good, you know, Sasha used to write ag to do up a Constitution Hill. Marine, Sasha used to write ag up a Constitution Hill like you? I'm just asking. I'm just curious. I don't know. We all know that you used to write hog up a Constitution Hill, but Sasha used to write the hog them too. Marine answer no man. Sasha used to write the hog them too up a Constitution Hill. Love my family. That means she ain't gonna answer, man. But Sasha can't cook, Marine can't cook, you know. But other people at Constitution Hill could have cook, you know. And thinking, big up the boss jacket. Oh, no. Yeah. Everything is everything, man. I say a word, man. All right, people, watch your riding. I'm Morris here. Blessings and respect, man. All right, cool. Y'all take care now. Cool. Michael Kelly said, good vibes. It's to 4. That, you know, he's in the UK, you know. Well, someplace over there where they're 5 hours ahead, you know. All right. Attitude large up. Baby girl J. Yeah, good as you know be. Know that. Oh, Romian, big up yourself. Cheryl. Blessing. Kavi. Look at Kavi. Kavi. Me see you, you know, me drop a London with a link, you know. With a link, Kavi, with a link when we drop a London, have dinner or something or whatever, hang out and thing. And you will behave yourself. No dugu, I go on, Kavi, no dugu. Right? And your big brother, I go link you. Big brother, Raga, I go link you. And we're going to dinner. What about remember me and grape? You can't grape me. That not happen. Right? And we're going to dinner, and we're going someplace nice, and we're going to chill, and we're going to kick back and whatever, and reason like 2 brother and sister. Master good as Kavi, I go grape you. Killer Miller, Kavi, I go deal with the case. I can't go and gas up Kavi here. I can't go and gas up Kavi, I think, whatever. One thing we know with Kavi not take no bootsing. Somebody say, somebody for ride ag raga. No, it's a thing when them used to do a constitution hill, them have ag riding competition, and there's somebody in the chat. She every year she was a champion because she knew for ride ag, you know. She's in the chat. Her name is Delmarine. Yeah. Jamaican teddy bear say Raga needs security when he meet Kavi. Yeah, proper security, no. Kimberly say, Kavi, make sure you make a bottle of juice for him first. Yeah, me not drink that. You not drink that, you're lucky. Me and Kavi go out, me a drink juice from the restaurant. Me not make Kavi bring the bottle, come give me and say, Raga, me bring a little juice, me bring a flask of juice. I drink this first, man. Just drink this first, no, man. Raga, drink this first, man. Drink all of this. Just drink this first. Yeah, it's a Kavi say, y'all bad. Exactly. You show them terrible. You show them terrible. You show them a gas you up, Kavi. Them a gas you up. But Kavi, me I tell you, say, if you bring a drink and give me and say, Raga, see me make little sorry left here, little pineapple juice, and I'm not taking it, you know. Okay. And if me take it, I'm going to go and let me keep it, and when you're gone, I'm going to dash away. Okay. All right. Now take no check. And can't go on the thing. Kavi say, oh God, my belly. Yeah, boy, I'm loving the vibes, you know. We just have that something there. And that we're supposed to do. People enjoy this life, yeah, man, and laugh and enjoy yourself. That is primarily what I provided to you all, you know. It's a respite or a respite, however you want to pronounce it. An escape, you know, from the stresses of the world and all these things and whatever. Just, you know, a period for you to relax and take it easy, get a few laughs, you know, on occasion learn a thing or two and so forth. But we're lime, you know, virtually, but nonetheless liming, to use the term, from over the Eastern Caribbean, you know, which the last caller is quite familiar with, but Jamaicans are using it now too a lot. So we're lime, we're kickback, you know, and when I look at vibes, that's what it's about on this show. We talk about some things and we laugh and, you know, get rid of a look of stress and all these things. See? Big up on yourself, man. Love and blessings, you know, all right? In our morals, man. Protection, cool. Kimberly said, this is the best show on TikTok. Ah, that's quite a compliment there. Thanks. Cool. Yep.